Hey everybody. I'd like to take a quick minute to talk about crypto IRAs. I personally recommend iTrustCapital. When you sign up for an IRA with iTrustCapital, you get to be able to trade 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, just like anywhere else. They got a wide variety of crypto to pick from Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, to Polkadot, and even Doge, and they're adding stuff all the time. The best benefit about an IRA is that you don't have to pay capital gains tax. And trust me, I don't like to pay taxes as it is. So I'm always looking for a break when I can find one. It's easy to set up. There's only a couple steps. There's no hidden fees. Everything's transparent. And you can even transfer your 401k or IRA that you have today. You sign up with the link in the description and you get 1 month free.
Good evening. Hello. ER, good evening. Maddie, what's up, Maddie? EA Gaming. Gamer. Renee, good evening. GT, good evening. Chris. Chris says Shiba. I know Chris. It's annoying. It's annoying. Dimitri, hello. How are you? Hello, good evening, guys. Yeah, there's not a whole lot of movement. That's okay. Right, Bitcoin is sitting very close to 47K there. Hello, Lex. Good morning. Good morning for you. Wow. Okay. Let's go, Rob. Good morning, Rob. What do you mean good morning? uh, am I on the wrong day here, guys? It says it says it's PM on my clock. Where are you guys? Yes, it's good morning. Good evening, guys. Let's get the rockets moving. I know, right? Moses, I like to get these rockets going here, but for some reason, the crypto market doesn't want to give it any rockets. David, hey David, how are you? Hello. You woke up from your nap? That's the funniest thing. Rob, I knew that's what you were doing. You woke up from a nap, you were just disoriented, and you're like, good morning. Rob, good to see you, missed you too. Buenos dias, buenos noches, Raymond. Okay, Asia time, Lil. Lee X. It's like Lil X. No, Lee X is Asia time. Wow, guys, good morning for you. Good morning. Uh, Thank you for hanging out with us. Yeah, guys, let us know if you have any questions, anything you're looking at, anything you want to buy the dip on. We can take a look, right? So, looking at the crypto bubbles here for the last like 15 minutes here, not a whole lot, right? Honestly, I want to take a look at like the last 24 hours, the last day, and you can see here that we're fairly again, other than Hex here, right? It's fairly mixed. Like it's fairly mixed here for the last 24 hours. Um, yeah, we just crypto is just not ready yet. Pizza time, Raven. Let's go. Pizza. How do you call? Not gonna say anything, Raven. Not gonna say anything. Pizza. Yeah, I'm sure we're gonna have a. Don't forget, yes, just smash a like, guys. All that fun stuff, and let's see if we can get some. Let's see if we can get anything rolling here tonight. We have some news about, well, it's not really news, it's just speculation about Shiba and Robinhood. I don't know if you guys have seen the huge fight on Twitter with the Shiba developer and the doctor. So we'll see what happens. Good evening. Well, good evening as well. Good evening. What were you today? What were you? You did a change wardrobe and a nice shower. Let's go, Raymond. Let's go. Let's go. And Yep, just chilling. Hello, hi. Good evening, guys. Welcome to Crypto After Dark. Crypto on Hot Trades. Again, let's see if we can look at anything here tonight. We can look at some Shibas, some metaverse plays, whatever we can look for, right? And then go from there and call it a night, right? Quick. Let's see, maybe an hour, maybe 2 hours, right? Usually these streams are like 2 hours, but if nothing's happening, then we can just So let's go for an hour here, guys, to see if anything happens, and then go from there. Thank you, Kev. No, thank you for being here. You don't rest either, Kev. So fresh and so clean. Today was a dope. Today was fun. Yeah, today was fun. Today in the market was a lot of fun. People made some very nice gains here today. Some very very nice gains. So extremely happy for you guys. Congrats. Let's go. Tomorrow we go again, right? Tomorrow we go again. It doesn't stop, right? Every single day is a brand new day for crypto, for stocks, right? We keep going. TC format. Oh, do you do anything different? It's absolute rubbish as well. Don't worry. As we go along, like as we move on, you're gonna realize that it's nothing like it's nothing similar to what we do during the day. It's absolute rubbish. TC can maybe testify, and some of the members can tell you that the night streams can go from, like, if nothing's happening, they can go from like really fun, like they can go from like really informative and educational and stuff like that, to absolute rubbish. So just wait. What's the beef with the Doctor and Shiba developer? Something about, we can take a look later here. TC. Something about, like, it's just a huge fight. Just a whole lot of drama on Twitter. Something about credibility, next to the honesty. Yep. There you go. Um, you're dying. Okay. Well, some of the things we talk about here. Um, I just give it a, just it does not every night, but just give it a few, and see what happens. We'll see. So crypto bubbles here, guys. Not a whole lot happening again. We still have Bitcoin here sitting around like $47,000 there. Ethereum just below 4K, right? BNB, blah blah blah. Oh wow, Hex, there's a new number 6, guys. Hex is number 6 now. Wow. Okay, very cool. Okay. 4,000% year to date here. Wow. Okay, that's a, oh wow. Ada number 8, Terra number 10, Avalanche number 11. It's been way too long since I've looked at this list. Dogecoin number 13, Shiba number 14 there. Okay, cool. Wow. Okay. Interesting. Let's go, Raymond. Okay, I'll be here for it. TC. Let's go, Raymond. Thank you for the super sticker. Really happy for the gains you made here today. Right. Congrats. Um, congrats. Thank you very much, Raymond. Thank you. Uh, thank you. Some pizza, Raymond. That's pizza. Let's get that pizza. Do you have a PO box to send me stuff? Uh, a little fluky fan. Oh, okay, sounds good. Huh, uh, some Christmas present, Rob. Send me an email, Rob, to the email at the top of the screen there. Now, we'll see. Rob. No, like I've seen some of the numbers, right? We talked about, like, we played with Sopa today, right? From like around 5 to around almost $14. But I've seen some of the profits some of you guys made today. It's outrageous. It's outrageous, some of the money some of you guys made today on stream. Most of them are not here. But it's the type of money you dream of. Just gonna leave it. That's all I'm gonna say. It's impressive. What Sopa gave a lot of people today, which is amazing, right? As a community, that's what we want to do. Hex there again, looking good. I want to take a look. I just want to go through like the list here at the top, from the top 100 to the top 200 here, just to see if there's anything interesting, right? So top 300 coins here, right? We have Very. Okay, cool. MC. La la la. Top 400 coins here. Coval is always on here for some reason. Always. So Moby, Cocos. Okay, cool. Top 500 coins here. GF. FLX, MDT, cool. 6 year, just anything that stands out for wow, the PSG token there, guys. Wow, 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 that's cool. Super, super cool there. I don't know why. PSG. That's just for the soccer fans, for the football fans here. You guys know what that means, right? So, and what else? Meh. Jade. Oh yeah, remember you guys remember Jade, right? Jade there. What is it? That APY token there. Uh, Crystal says it was awesome. Crystal, I know, right? It was fun. And Raymond says, and let's and see change. Yeah, SOPA and see change. Those made people a lot of gains here today, right? So that's amazing. So I wanted to take a look at this article here, guys. Again, I know it's maybe we might actually let me see here. Let's cover some news and then go from there, right? Again, Robinhood to list Shiba by April 2022. Back end integration currently on the way. Says according to the source, right? Again, that's not really anything like sure. This is cool, right? This is cool, but this is speculation, right? This is speculation. This is not information that I would use to invest with because I just don't care. um, well, maybe I do. Maybe I do. I do. I wanted to, we want to see that hype. Uh, but like when I buy stuff, I don't buy it based on stuff like this, right? Because who's the source? Blah blah blah, right? So Robinhood could list Shiba Inu between March and April 2022. Claims his source close to ask the doctor, right? The source revealed that the Robinhood team is currently working on the back end integration to get Sheep on board. The team wants to make the process as smooth as possible with no technical glitches during the launch by April 2022. A reliable source just told me the following timelines: Robinhood listing Shiba March to April 2022. Lots of backend integration needs to be done to work smoothly. Plus, our dev team is backed up by up on releasing the wallet, right? So, fluky listing coming next week. Tweeted. Oh, wow, fluky tweet. Okay, I bet you that's what the fight is on Twitter then. So, was among the first, again, as the doctor was among the first healthcare institutions to accept Shiba Inu as payment, right? The Canadian based healthcare service also accepts Bitcoin. As my screen's moving here, Dogecoin and Fluky as a form of legal payment on their website. A reliable source, just yeah. So again, honestly, hey AMV, Amber, can you tell us what how you know what? I'm not gonna say anything, Amber. Um, Meta Hero Cloud. What about it? Is a fluky fan? Yeah. So again, I honestly, hey, Jameson, hello. Wish all you a prosperous week ahead. Let's go, Jameson. Let's go. Good to see you always. Like I honestly, like I wouldn't pay a whole lot of attention to this because you guys remember the last, like a month ago when that guy came on Twitter and said, "Oh, um, um, like I just got some information from a source saying Shiba's getting listed tomorrow, right? Absolute rubbish. Uh, as the doctor can Roberts. There you go, right? Nah, buying all the dips, sitting back waiting for December the 25th. Oh yeah, Raymond, when did the name change thing then? Okay, cool. Yeah, let's go. So again, guys, this is cool. Um, that's cool. But when it gets here, then we can talk, right? So let's move on here to TradingView, guys. See if there's any crypto news that we should be looking at, right? Shiba, of course, is just chilling around 31 there. Um, Bitcoin around 47. So let me take a look and see if there's actually any crypto news here. So, la la la. Oh wow, 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 wow. Christie's sold 150 million worth of NFT this year. NFTs, yeah. A lot of people bought some nice NFTs this year. Lives another day. Nah, okay, wow, that's amazing. That's amazing, right? So we know this headline here was huge about a month ago. This was huge. All like people from India saying, "Oh my goodness, right? Crypto is about to be banned." So again, I'm happy that this is dissipating, as they're saying here. So crypto in India lives another day, right? Possibility of immediate ban dissipates, right? Cryptocurrency in India does not face an immediate ban. Official documents pertaining to the country's legislative processes show. Okay, cool, right? not gonna go into further detail there. I'm just gonna leave it there. But that's what's this? Elon Musk tweets 1995 video featuring David Letterman and Bill Gates. Oh, la 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 la. Also, what is web not giving the nah? Okay. Launching. Okay, cool. What else? Usually there's some pretty interesting articles here. I'm not sure if they sharply dropping Bitcoin reserves may suggest a bullish trend. Okay, well let's get back about 50K first. Uh, wow, look at that. Two reasons. So two reasons here. So according to these guys, right, they're giving us two reasons why Bitcoin could kick off 2022 on a rally. Bitcoin has been dancing on a critical support over the weekend after it rejected around $48,000. The first crypto, right, by market cap has experienced persistent downtrends. A persistent downtrend, right? Blah blah blah. Gonna skip a whole bunch of that rubbish there. Downtrend there. Again, they're giving us some reasons why, right? Again, we talked about the Federal Reserve, the COVID and Omicron there. Um, I just want to see the reasons, guys. That's all I am looking for here. La la la. Whereas, cool. And like you just want, you read an article, you just want them to give you like why they're moving, and they're like, first of all, we have, we have, we have. I was about to say we have nuts, because I saw a commercial, like it's a winter tire commercial, and they're like, why? Oh, winter tire is so good because we have nuts. Uh, so there you go. Let's go, Adam. Adam says, please send the hotrids to Mars and beyond. Thanks for what you do, my friend Adam. Thank you very much for the support always. Really appreciate that. Let's go, Adam. Come on. Good to see you. Let's go. Let's go. So that's that there. Still looking in addition, la la, OI and leverage, usually the relief pressure. Okay, yeah. Honestly, again, let's get about $50,000 and then we can say okay, let's go for a pump, right? So record discounts, okay, cool. The 20th, all these articles are from today, right? So crypto markets sentiment falls further as they term first, okay, cool. US pro crypto senators own Bitcoin themselves. Conflict interest concerns arise. Okay, cool. Um, what else? Ray Dalio reveals his own Ethereum and he owns Ethereum and Bitcoin. Views on cash as the worst investment. Wow. Ray Dalio, guys. Again, Ray Dalio is one of like the biggest when it comes to like market psychology. Like Ray Dalio is huge. Um, so he's saying he thinks like cash is the worst investment. I mean that's relative, right? I think that's extremely relative there. Um, uh, you can't just buy Bitcoin at any price because if you buy Bitcoin at any price or Ethereum or anything at the wrong price, it becomes the worst investment ever, right? So cash can be your best investment. It just depends. Just depends. Na, na, na. And I think it's very impressive that still 40 to 48 with a daily volume of 29 bill. Okay, cool. Visa technology phenomenon. Hmm, cool. Cool. Just reading some of these articles, guys, and see. Yeah, that's it. That's it for now. Nothing interesting there for for the crypto market. So I'm gonna go over a whole bunch of rubbish, like mana and this and that and that and that and that, and let's see if we can let's see if there's anything there worth looking at, right? So it's the holidays, and crypto really isn't moving much. So people just ignore the rubbish, guys, until something's actually performing nicely. And then we get all that excitement back. So for now, again, Bitcoin isn't doing anything. Shiba, right? If I pull up the daily chart here, let me do that now. Right, so let's pull up the daily chart here for Shiba. I'm actually gonna use a different Shiba chart here, just because the one I have is super messy. And I is that the right one there? Maybe. Oh yeah, it is. So we talked about this though, right, guys? We talked about this level here, right? This 30 level here. So Shiba came back all the way down and tested like 29, 28, something like last night, right? Yes, on the last candle here, this candle right here, right? And we're trying to bounce, right? So again, this would be our last non-level consolidation here, right? In between like 30 and like 20, whatever level that is, like 20. Yeah, so again, in between this range here, this is our last non-level consolidation, right? So the hope would be that Shiba can do the same thing here, right, and recover, right? That's the hope. Yeah. So other than that, there's not a whole lot to say about Shiba here, right? Like really not a whole lot. um merit merit circle. Okay, let's go, John. How are you? Andrew says hello. Um, uh, as you start getting like as you start getting the highly questionable people coming as well, people like Andrew and Virus and Amber. Nothing else. It's what just there you go. Marlo, good evening to you. Evening. Good evening, guys. So again, so that would be the hope for Shiba, right? That we can again our last non-level consolidation after this nice run up. Like that's a solid run up. But on the way down here, these candles really don't have any level of support until we get to that level. I know again. So this drop here to this level is based on like just the entire crypto market, so stuff like inflation and COVID and this and that and that. That's the whole reason for this drops here. Right. So, but we're trying to hold around that support if we can and start recovering here. That's a really good sign. Earlier today, Shiba had a nice pump off that level there, of this level. We had a nice run up from that again, just below 30, around 28, all the way to 34. Right. So that's a nice run. That's a solid bounce there. Let's see if we can keep holding that level. Hopefully, Bitcoin doesn't decide to keep going. Oh no, guys. Oh no. As soon as I say questionable people, Stuart shows up. Talk about questionable people. Hello. Unbelievable. Hi, Sandy. Hello. Um, Gala, I'll take a look visual. I'll take a look at Gala. I'm just going through the charts, guys. Wanted to look at Shiba first. Um, Back at it. Uh, Jaco. Yeah, Shiva. Let's go, Shiva. Run. Come on. All the questionable people. No, it's because I'm not sure if he's still here, but he was asking me, right? So what's the difference between like the day streams and the night streams? Like, is it the same format? I was like, yeah, it is to start. Yeah, at the beginning it is, and then all of a sudden it goes to a different dimension. That's what happens, right? Uh, so you see what I mean? Now all of a sudden I'm getting a question like, "How's 1 inch coin doing?" And Andrew, 1 inch coin is still at 1 inch. It's not going anywhere. There you go. Question answer. Okay, it's ready to pump. You see what I mean? 1 inch coin is ready to pump, but it's still red. Honestly, Andrew, honestly, not sure what to tell you. But yeah, there you go. Right. So Shiba, we need to start holding around these levels here and then recover. Um, it's so there you go. So let me take a look at Gala here. I know as my music is blasting them. So let's take a look at Gala here, guys. Gala. If I can find the right chart, that's not it. Maybe it is. Maybe it is actually interesting. So Gala, right? We talked earlier. So earlier, like a month ago, when we initially talked about Gala here, we talked about waiting for this thing to come back down to that 40, um, one of those levels. I can't quite remember now. Can't quite remember. This is the level that we talked about here on the chart. So is this a good entry for Gala? You're asking. I think again. I think if you like the metaverse, right? If you like the metaverse and you believe in Gala, because it seems like you do, right? Visual. My recommendation for you would be to scale in, right? So again, slowly scale in into these positions and then go from there, right? Slowly build a position. If it's dropping like it is, okay, well, slowly again buy in increments, right? Just in case it keeps dropping, and then once we recover high, you're super happy, right? So. Visual. Honestly, there's not a whole lot to that. Like all of these names here, most of them are struggling, right? Metaverse, gaming tokens, Bitcoin, this. Bitcoin is taking them down the wrong hole, right? Down the wrong hole. So we need So again, for now, try not to go all in. Just scale in into positions you like. Um, red rockets, red rockets. Um, it's the damn day streams. See what they do to us. The stress makes us questionable. I know, Andrew. I know. Yep, I know. Mr. Will is all in on one. Let's go visual. Gala anyway, around 45. I think good position in your opinion. Yeah. Again, just scale in, right? Scale in. You never really know where Bitcoin goes to. If Bitcoin decides to crash to $30,000, well, guess what? Gala isn't gonna hold anywhere around these levels. Yeah, no, we looked at Coval, Andrew. That thing's done really well. It's always pumping for some reason. Um, yeah. So again, recommendation would be to scale in multiple entry levels, and you're not questionable. Uh, Stuart, you know, um, on a scale of like one to useless, what do you think you are, Stuart? Like on a scale of one to useless, what do you think you are? Let me know, question. Stuart, I'm gonna leave that question up to you. Everything that's mid January, Ajay. Yeah, I'm not surprised. Not surprised there, right? So the holidays, right? Things start recovering back into next year. Let's go, Tyler. Hey yo, hi. Going down. Yep. Uh, Unbelievable. The chat has lost it, guys. So are you still here? Are you still here watching? You see the difference now between the day streams and the night streams? Let me know. So don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you are new to the channel, and yeah, all the fun stuff. Dogelon, block market. I'll take a look at Elon. So again, that's Gala, guys, right? So let me take a look at Elon, then I'll come back here to Sand and the other names here. So Elon here, Elon is doing the same thing as everything else, right? It's struggling, right? We talked about Elon. We talked about the fact that for Elon to really go, right, we needed to clear this level here. Never quite got above that level and held above, so that run never really came, right? So for now, it's retracing some really good support around like 0.0000. Again, when I say 8, you know what I mean, right? So around 8 there, um, yeah, So uh, I'm thinking useless on that scale, Stuart. Is red tomorrow. 1 inch is a toast. Is toast. Yep. Either way, is this is my I laughed at your the chat is you better add the if you're um lost it, guys. So that's Elon, right? That's Elon there. Let me take a look at Sand here or Mana, right? So let's take a look at Mana. I know Chris bought this one. It looks very similar to most things, right? So we talked about again. Um, Let me see. What level is that? $3? Yeah. $3 here seems to be a nice position, right? We're holding nicely just above three here. So if we can keep holding above that and recover, Mana for me seems like it's ready to go. Like it's ready to go here. It's found its support. It's ready to go. Just waiting for that rubbish Bitcoin. We're waiting for rubbish Bitcoin here to start moving before. But it seems to me like it's ready to go here. So again, around $3 there, right? That's your initial support there, and then we have some support here as we approach like 230, right? You can see that level right there, to around like 230 there, 234, 235 there, around that range. Those are your support levels, right? Again, what you're gonna notice is that these charts all look very similar, very very similar. Um, um, but Beth, I saw that you tried connecting to Discord, right? So don't you're not quite there yet. So you clicked on the link. That's perfect, right? Now you need to go to the Rose channel. The Rose channel there. Read the information. Click on the cookie at the very bottom, and then go to the Getting Started channel. Then follow those images, and you should be good to go. So yeah, the two steps, right? Um, so that's Mana, guys. Let me take a look at Sand. Again, all these charts look very similar to me, like just all the same. Um, you know. all very similar. They're breaking below the moving averages and struggling just below as they're waiting for Bitcoin. Sand to me seems like it's ready to go here as well, like it's ready to recover. We've had that, what you're looking for here is that sideways action, right? Oh no, did I say that? Yeah, so I talk about 1 inch here. Now you guys are gonna take that to a different level. So what we're looking for here, guys, is we go for these runs all the time, but once we do drop, you're looking for a little bit of this, right? A little bit of that. Is that what Mana is doing here? Yeah, it's gone for that nice pump, right? It's dropped. Now it's doing that. It's ready to go here, just waiting for Bitcoin. So again, most of these names are ready to go. Just waiting. They're waiting for for the inside crypto market here to recover, and then we should be good to go, right? We're ready. We're waiting for that pump. Um, all right, let's and then go from there. What else? Let me take a look at Crow here. Crow. Same thing. Yeah, same thing, guys. Right. Nice pump up, break below your moving average, and then struggle. Right. So all looking very similar here, guys. All waiting for Bitcoin here to eventually recover. Right. We failed to reclaim that 65 cent level here for Crow, and then again struggled. Right. So yeah. So we seem to be finding a base here just around 50 cents. Your next level support is around 40 cents term. So 40 seems like it'd be a nice deal. But we seem to be finding some type of support here around 50 cents. But we need the entire crypto market to turn around. Always on the verge of strapping on. Action makes the 1 inch work. At serious and reading the chart at the same time is uh I don't know what to tell you guys. There you go. Yeah, so Bebeth, so let me know if that's working for you. So go to the getting started the Rose channel first, right? React to the cookie at the very bottom, and then go to the again. So Rose channel first, and then Rose channel first, right? And then go to the getting started channel. J Cole says, "Wow, yep, that's what happens when crypto isn't moving, J. Cole. Like when crypto isn't moving, people find other ways to entertain themselves. That's what happens. So we need crypto to go here. Because it's what's up behind the wick? Hello? Behind the wick. Behind the wick. Behind the wick. That's cool. Because you're classic after hours. Uh you guys you know Alrighty, guys. Don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe, and let's keep going here. So, what other coins would you guys like me to look at? Do you guys have any other questions, guys? Anything else you're interested in? You'd like me to take a look at? Let me know. All right. So let's take a look at crypto here for a bit. Nothing's really moving here, anyways. So we can take a look at a few of these names. If you have any questions, please ask, and I can take a look. Uh, Behind. Why are you making fun? I'm not. I'm not. Um, Unbelievable, Andrew. Um, Let me take a look at that. I'm not sure if it's available here. This is one. It is. Oh, do you have a position already? Let me know if you do. This one looks very similar to everything else, right? Another metaverse play there. Is it struggling just like everything else? Yes, it is, right? We broke below that moving average term, right? And we've really struggled, right? Sitting around 5 cents for now. Let me see here. In terms of support, yeah, I'd be looking for 5 cents here if we can hold about five and start recovering. But this thing needs the entire crypto market to turn around with it, right? All very similar. Uh, Here you go. EGLD. ELG. I think Jameson might have mentioned this one. Um, can't remember now. EGLD. Uh, LD. So, are you in a position, J Cole? Like, are you in a position for this name here? I honestly don't mind it around like 200 and. So if I put a line right there, J Cole, I don't mind it on like 225. Like 225 seems to be a really good entry. Well, at least for now, right? It seems to be a really good. It seems to be like a scalable level, right? And then if the crypto market does recover, that'd be really nice, right? So 225 here would be something. 255. Okay, you got in at 255, so somewhere up there. Yeah, again, this 225 level is just a level that we've bounced off at multiple times. So it's just a level that seems to be a nice position. Just a nice level to buy there. Is that 255? Yeah, 255, 256 there. Okay, cool. Yeah, so you're really gonna need Bitcoin to turn around. Turn around. Jameson says, can you take a look at H bar? I know H bar has been let's see here. If I can find the right chart here, Jameson. Like, what's are you in it already, Jameson? What's your entry there? So what's your position? This one's one of the older names, right? This one's one of the older names. We talked about this, maybe not with you guys, maybe with someone else. So this one's one of the only names that's actually performed well in the last week or so. Like in the last few days, right? It's done not too bad, right? So you take a look at everything else. It's been rubbish, 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 rubbish. This one's gone from around like 22 cents here, right? To 32. So it's gone for a nice little run here. It's one of the only names that's actually sitting above that moving average. Most of these names are sitting below, right? Like 9 out of the last 10 we've looked at are sitting below that moving average here. So yeah, H bar done really well. Are you uh are you in it? Are you in it, Jameson? Yeah. You took a short behind the wig. You took a short on Bitcoin last night. Okay, yeah. As long as we don't break above 50K, right? Behind the wig, I've been watching it for a long time play. Uh, yet, but I don't wanna. You don't wanna miss the run. Yeah, it's looks like it's setting up here for something. I can see that we have resistance. So Jameson, maybe I'd be careful here now though because we clearly have resistance here at 35 cents, right? Like these levels here that we've hit multiple times, right? Once again, so we talk about this all the time. It doesn't matter crypto or stocks, right? Once we hold a level on multiple occasions, if at any point we break below that level, it's going to become resistance, right? Well, that's a perfect example there, right? We do a really good job of holding about 35 cents, but then as soon as we break below, like right there, well, guess what? We try to reclaim that level. It's like, no, no, no. You want it to be fancy and break below. Now you stay below, right? So I'd be careful as you approach 35 cents there, um, and then go from there. 25 cents would be nice if we can retrace that level and find the base around there. Right? I'd be looking for like the 25s or something. At least 1 inch. Uh, I'm new on YouTube. Behind the week, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. La, la, la. Holmes, she busted me, Holmes. She busted me, Holmes. Haven't seen her for a bit. Haven't seen. Not sure where she. I can't even remember her name now. Raymond, let me take a look at XRP here. XRP. Nah, I know we talked about this one quite a bit. Just waiting for that. For whatever they're doing that's to be done. I'm gonna take a look at this chart here. Honestly, like for XRP is a play that you just um, you know, I bet like most of like the die-hard XRP fans, they buy this thing because of the technology, right? Because again, we know this thing's if they get rid of that lawsuit there or whatever they're dealing with, this thing could really explode, right? Could really really explode here. So 75 cents here, remain would not be too bad of a level. So I'd be looking for 75 cents there. Anywhere around that is nice, right? So it's back above its moving average here as well. So again, as you can see here, most of these cryptos are ready to go. Like they've gone for a nice downtrend, right? They're trying to reclaim that moving average here and go, just waiting for daddy Bitcoin. I don't know, not sure what happened. She was to me, Holmes, Stewart. Is that line a 5 day moving average? No, it's the 9 Sierra. How close, Stewart? How close are we? I think around like 40. Around like 40, Stewart. Yeah, just below 40 there. When you set the line, yeah. Oh no. Looking at the super long message here, guys. Um, yeah, yeah, the nine Sierra. That was a funny. Oh yeah, we've had some pretty good streams. Like we've had some really fun streams, night streams. So, can you take a look at VSS finance? So you got in fast. You got in at 0.000055. Please and thank you. Absolutely. Let me see if I can find it on here. Otherwise, I might need to take a look at VSS. I don't think it's on here. No, it's not. So I need to go over to Coin Market Cap there because that's where we looked at it last time. That's not what I want. Uh, there you go. So let's take a look. So you're in at point. VSS there. My might have to use the 1 inch. I'm gonna look right now and do some professional analysis. Yeah, you're gonna do that. Okay, sounds good. Let us know what you come up with. Am I missing something here? Yeah, there you go. Um, I don't know why I just completely ignored the name, the actual name, and just went with your VVS, right? That's what you're holding, not VSS. You're holding VVS. Fast. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Throwing that out like that. What's virus? So yeah, VSS. So you're basically in break even now, right? Aren't you? Yes. Okay, that's what you're holding. You're in at 5.5, 500k there. Actually, let me see here. So that's 4. And what are you sitting at here? Okay, so yeah, you're just slightly red with this position here. Let me take a look at the overall chart here. I'm not sure what your intentions are with this name. I'm not sure at all. I'm right. So it most likely is a long term position for you. Um, yeah, well, it seems like we're sitting somewhere around the bottom here. We're trying to turn around here, so there's not a whole lot of information here that I can give you. Like other than other than like you doing the fundamental research, from a technical point of view here, there's not a whole lot, right? I can see that we're sitting at the level that we're trying to bounce off at, right? Like right around so all those zeros, right? And 5 5 5 4 there, we're trying to bounce around that level. Other than that, there's not a whole lot, right? So we need the entire crypto market to start to recover and then go from there. Is a weak play. Last year compared to the cake. I know. One day, if it's a long term play, there you go, right? So for long term, fast, okay, yeah, long term investment, okay. Hi, Christy. Hello. Raymond says good night, all. Wishing you a very prosperous day ahead. Hopefully, Daddy Biden, don't ruin everything. Yeah, I'm just forgetting that Biden speaks tomorrow, guys. Unbelievable. Um, yeah, I just if like not just Biden, but like most of the time, if it's not Powell, anytime anybody else speaks, it's usually like a lot of drama, just a lot of drama in the market, ups and the downs. Regardless, though, we're still gonna have a volume plays that ignore the market, and that's cool. That's perfect, right? So can I see? Nah, what can you see? Hmm, like it's about to. Okay. 4 a.m. for pre-market. Wishing there you go. See in Discord, Raven. See in Discord at 4 a.m. Let me know what you think. Some peak and merit circle. Merit circle. I don't think I've ever looked at that one before. Don't think I've looked at this before. 7 7 13 here, up 26%. Nick, when did this thing come out? So this came out just this year on the 4th of last month. Right. Um, I like that, Nick. What I like about this is the fact that you take a look at right. We go for a nice run up and that's cool. That's fine. But then we do sell off, and then on the way here, you can see how we're holding all the same levels here, basically, Nick. Right? Or finding support in around the same range here. That's a really good sign, right? Yeah, it looks really good there. So let's see if it can continue to go here. Your next level of resistance here is that double top around what's that? Okay, no, never mind. Yeah, around like 740 there, Nick. That's your next level of resistance. So you can see a double top there, like around like 740, 750 there. That's your next level to watch. Right. And we had some really good support around that range, Jim, and then we had a double top around there. So again, this thing is approaching that level. So I'd be careful around like 750 there. On the low dip. Okay. Behind the wick says, want to know the exact price for tomorrow? Yes, please. Let us know. You look for Bitcoin tomorrow, 40, 47, 800. Okay. And to play the 50K subs. 40 of us, a second account, and boom, Hot Trades chip challenge is in. I don't think Mindy wants to do the chip challenge today. I don't think all the other people that are getting the chip to do the challenge. I don't think the. I know Peter got the chip challenge, and then he got nervous because the chip is here and he's ready to do the chip challenge. Um, so yeah, remember that? Yeah. Well, I hope we. I like honestly for me, behind the wick, I like that level still does make a huge difference to me. Well, it should, but it really doesn't. Right. What I'm looking for is when can we reclaim $50,000? Right? Can we get rid of that head and shoulder at 52K? If we can, okay, that's that would be again on the way back up. So back to the uptrend, right? So that's what I'm looking for, right? So as we sit below 50K here, we're still on a downtrend. Was again, we're holding 42.5, we're holding 42, we're holding 45, which is impressive, which is nice, right? But we need to clear that resistance. Um, there you go. 60K Bitcoin by December the 31st. VJ Sai. Uh, yeah. So why do you say 60K by end of the month? I mean, that'd be cool, right? So hopefully, then things can start pumping as we go into and as we go into the new year. Da, da, da. Against retail sentiment. Hmm. Why does the market move against retail sentiment? It moves it like I know exactly what you're saying. But that's only correct to a certain degree, right? So we usually you can tell by the hype, by retail sentiment that stuff is about to turn around, and that momentum, that FOMO comes in. But at some point, that retail sentiment is overly extended, and then we go for a sell off, right? Market makers needs to liquidate to fill the orders in the opposite direction. Yeah, again, I know exactly what you're saying there, and that makes a lot of sense. But to a certain degree, right? Sure, we FOMO into names. We FOMO into names. So what you're basically saying is we FOMO into names. Initially, right, that causes a lot of hype, a lot of we pump, 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 pump. But at some point, that hype just doesn't match the technicals anymore, right? But people are still overly excited because recency buyers, and then we sell off, right? So yeah, it makes a lot of sense to a certain degree. Um, Mr. Will, virus. Yep. La, la, la. Everyone's bearish tonight. I think people are bearish in crypto too. I think, especially here in the community, I think people might be. Um, I think people, I wouldn't say bearish. I think people just get frustrated with crypto, right? People just get say, people just get frustrated with crypto, but in the back of their minds, they know, okay, it's eventually coming back, right? Eventually coming back. It's just a momentary frustration. That's what it is. Yeah. La, la, la. There you go. Let me get rid of that there. So yeah, that's again, Nick. That's a merit circle there. Let me take a look actually at the movers here. I want to take a look at the top gainers and losers, guys. We've looked at a whole bunch of that rubbish already on the on crypto bubbles there. So Yeti coin is up what? 1,000% in the last 24 hours. Always pay attention to the volume though, because that's really important. Shiba Inu Empire is up 200%. Shiba Inu Empire, guys. Wow. Okay. Mice is up 200%. Oh no, guys. Uh, Pepe. Okay, but that bulb is non-existent. So honestly, be careful. Doge Rise Up. Wow, Doge Rise Up is up 100. Some of these names, guys, is like, what's happening here? Like, honestly, what's happening? Some of the names for these things, um, you know, yeah. Let's move on here to TradingView, guys. Back to the chart and see what Again, that's Bitcoin. They're trying to reclaim 47 there, which is cool, right? And then let's move on here to Shiba. Shiba. Come on, Shiba. Playing around 31.3 there. Check Shibnobi. um, um, so Nick Pit Quiddity came. I was looking for you today because he came back in today and was begging for whatever subscribers. What did he say again? Something rubbish. It's basically, so what's greed and fear index term? It's basically like, almost like the RSI steward, where you can tell that, okay, by looking at the RSI, we're sitting above this level. That means we're overextended. We're sitting at this level, right? We're oversold, right? Where you can say, okay, like as we're sitting at the bottom there, that's extreme. Again, we're sitting fear index, right? Where we're sitting at the very top there, pushing against our level, overextended. It's getting way too greedy, right? So it's basically the same thing there. Yeah. It's trying to sell. Oh no, trading views for the newbies. You don't seem like any trading views for the newbies. Well, we make gains, right? So we make gains on hot trades. So trading view. We're gonna keep using trading view. Trading view is not for beginners. I don't know what you're talking about behind the wig. Trading view is not for beginners. Again, like again, even if there's some, I've seen the people that have reached out to me and said, okay, like, can we sponsor you? So you can use our trading platform. So because we have a buy sell indicator and this and this and this, and it looks like an absolute mess. I like simplicity, guys. I just like want to keep my stuff simple. Because I make gains when I keep it simple. So uh, yeah. On TradingView, no, we have different software for that though, right? So heat maps. I know you're getting to. Are you about to sell me something behind the wig? What are you about to sell me? Sell it to me. Sell it to me. Sell it to me. Can we get gains, Christy? We make gains. We make gains with the the simplest of things, and that's all that matters, right? So you know, and I'm gonna forever use the simple stuff, forever. Well, at least I think so. Look at the right charts look like you're yeah. I want to show you guys how to trade. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, he manages a hedge fund. How about you tell him to suck it? That's step number one. Tell him to suck it. Tell him to stop shorting the market, and then come back and teach us what he's saying. Please and thank you. No, that's okay behind the wig. That's okay. um, yeah. There you go. Again, Shiba not really doing a whole lot, guys. Bitcoin not doing a whole lot. We just wanted to come on for a bit and talk about what's happening, and cover some news if there's any. Just keep in mind that it's the holiday, right? Yeah, keep in mind it's the holiday, and the market is super slow, right? So as we go into the new year, we should hopefully start recovering and then go from there, right? So yeah. La la la. Is Nick? It's you guys' fault. It's you guys' fault. All of you guys. All of you questionable people. Um. Shinobi's doing a whole lot. VJ. Okay. um, nope. Every single one of you members in the chat. This is you guys' fault. You know. Unbelievable. Um. Let me see here. Pending, pending, pending. There we go. Good to go. Just quickly editing some stuff there. Amber, not sure what to tell you. Yeah, let's oh hey Marco. Marco says oh hey. Oh hey. Oh hey. How are you? Oh hey. The laughs. Yeah. Oh yeah. We're awesome behind the wig. Yeah. We have some questionable people, and that's all we need. Behind yeah, good energy. Yeah, we have some good vibes. Some good vibes. Virus, what's that? Is that a I know something's going on. Amber posted the ice. It's because Amber's seeing all the questionable comments. All the questionable comments. Amber just put some ice. Where's Coval? Saeed. Coval's done really well, right? We take a look at crypto bubbles there. Let's do that one more time here. So crypto bubbles. Let me take a look. So Coval is one of those names that's on Manchester City, guys. 14%. Let's go City. All these like these soccer team tokens here seems to be doing really well. City PSG, those things are looking well. So I know Coval is one of the top gainers here on somewhere. That's PSG right there. Right, so Coval, where's Coval? I know Coval was up like something like 46% in the last 24 hours. It's done well, right? There's Coval, right? 24% here, 20% here in the last day or so. It's done well. Coval always seems like it's on a pump somewhere. Um, United fan VJ. Okay, there you go. Yeah, tell United. Tell United to come up with their own crypto. Yeah. So allowed. uh, hashtag simple, Crystal. Hashtag simple, please and thank you. Oh, we need no. um, no. Her name is. I'm sure Amber remembers her name. Uh, Stuart. I'm sure Amber remembers. Uh, Stuart, you have no chill. Like that's not even nice at all. Tokens were I've noticed football tokens do well when the market is down in general. Stuart, okay. Uh, is Beth here? Beth missed all the rubbish. Where's Beth? Is Beth even here? Uh, oh yeah, there you. Beth says hello, hello, hello. Greeny, yeah, 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 yeah. That's what it is. Um, that's what it is. What's up? Hey, Crypto, hello. How are you? You just got here, Beth. Okay, good to see you. What going to 19 cents. What's your thoughts on Coval going to 19 cents? What are we sitting at? We're sitting at 14.5, like 14.60 for Coval. But well, you can see that we're forming a double top though, right? So just be careful. Like around 15 cents here, we need to clear 15 cents first. And then, okay, if we can do that, yeah, 20 cents incoming, right? But we're forming a double top here, so I'd be very careful around that level. This might be, this is the top for now for Coval. 15 cents is like 15.4, 15.5 here. Right, so just be careful around that level. It's a double top. I'd be cautious there. Uh, there she is. Yeah. Um, alrighty. I just want. You got this stuff. Let's go behind the wig. Let's go. So back to trading view here, guys. As Shiba is chilling, Bitcoin is chilling, right? So, la, la, la. What else? Yeah, Beth, you just miss some of the rubbish, and that's okay. Welcome. Let's see if we can hang for a few more minutes, and then call it a night, and then come back tomorrow, and keep going. Right. So it's the holiday, so it's a little bit quiet, and that's completely okay. Uh, is this a hashtag contents you play? It's hashtag 1 inch. That's what it is. Prove that verification doesn't matter. Wow. Uh, yeah, guys, don't forget again if you haven't smashed a like yet, take a second and smash a like. Hit that subscribe if you're new, and yeah, let's keep going. Just keep going. Let me know if you have any questions at all. Some more minutes and try to get to the end. Yep, Andrew. Yep. Uh, on intentional napping, that's okay, Beth. Rest, rest, rest. Right, rest, rest. So we've covered the article here. I'm just looking for some more news articles here, guys, to potentially look for to cover. Right. So I know we've covered most of them already. Mm, let me see if there's anything new here. So over 7.7 over 7.7 billion stolen in crypto scams in 20. Wow. So this article came out about like 6 hours ago. That's really interesting. Because we've seen a lot of this happen this year. Just crypto scams in general. All right. Over 7.7 billion stolen in crypto scams in 2021, and four other updates you should know. That's impressive, right? So we know what is it called? AfriCrypt. AfriCrypt is one of them. One of those big crypto scams there. We've seen quite a few. Let me see what this article says here, guys. The top cryptocurrencies by market value remain in the red this week. Bitcoin currently trading around 40. Okay, cool, right? Blah blah blah. We know that. We know that. We know that, right? So Elon Musk said Tesla will accept Dogecoin as payment for merch. Again, that's old news, right? Old news there. Okay, we had an initial pump there, and then sold off. So Elon is a pump and dump. Just kidding. Elon is like not gonna no further comments. So cryptocurrency prices listed on Coinbase and briefly glitched. Okay, cool. Also crypto.com there. Also on Tuesday, right? That was last week. Okay, cool. I'm going to ignore that. Senate Banking Committee members mentioned concerns over stablecoins, and okay, cool. Yeah, that's all news there. And then number four here, right? 7.7 billion stolen in crypto scams in 2021, right? So was stolen worldwide in 2021, according to a new report by Blockchain Analytics from Chain Analysis. That's an 81% rise compared to 2020. Rug pulls, wow, that's madness, guys. Rug pulls. Rug pulls are a type of scam where developers abandon a project and they leave with investors' funds. Became the go-to scam of the decentralized finance or DeFi ecosystem, right? Rug pulls, guys. Rug pulls were the scam of the year, right? Rug pulls. Any thoughts on AMC squeeze coming soon, please and thank you, Jeff. Jeff, there's a lot of talk about AMC squeezing soon here as we go into the new year. Uh, but I'm looking for $30. If we can clear $30, okay, there's hope. Well, then, thankfully, yeah. A what, Joe? A nuke, India? Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. So for AMC squeeze, you need to get back about $30. They're doing a really good job of making sure it doesn't close above. So again, Rock Post with the scam of the year, right? In 2021, Rock Post accounted for over 2.8 billion stolen, right? Or 37% of all cryptocurrency scam revenue, compared to 1% in 2020. Wow. Um, Radio Shack announces shifting to La platform, bringing la, mission to La. Okay, cool. Radio Shack. Uh, wow. Okay. So 1 second here. I just want to quickly post that there. Uh, Make sure transaction per second. Let's see. La, la. Let's go. Already. There we go. Yeah, just wanted to quickly see. Donnie says, "Long time no see. Where have you been, Donnie? How are you? Good to see you." How do we shampoo those rock poles? I don't know what to tell you, Showtime. Not sure what to tell you. Spamming and chilling, yeah. There you go. So that's that, right? So again, rock poles accounting for 2.8 billion of the 7.7 billion dollars scams in 2021 for cryptocurrency, right? So really interesting there. Um, Looking at other stuff here, the new get rich faster job in Silicon Valley crypto startups. Wow. Okay. Has a massive secret stockpile of Bitcoin. Huh. The US government has a massive secret stockpile of Bitcoin. The US government does? Wow. Where is that information coming from here? Let me see if I can pull this up here, guys, and share that with you guys. Um, the US government has a massive secret stockpile of Bitcoin. Here's what happens. What happens to it? Okay, cool. Holds auctions for stockpile of Bitcoin. Ethereum, Litecoin, and other cryptocurrencies, it seizes. Okay, auctions kicked off in a big way. So the seizing that stuff and then auctioning them off. So just like cars. So when like they take away cars, and then oh yeah, ask the doctor. Oh yeah, we know those. Saul, when someone comes out like that as the there's always an intention behind it, right? So so be careful. Again, I never really cared about Ask the Doctor. Honestly, don't care. Um, it's whatever, right? So surprised at the scam. I know there's a fight on Twitter, but I honestly don't care. We knew there was something else behind that already, right? So we knew there was something else behind that. So new and a what plan? Yeah. It could both be both cars and then a lot of it. Nah, Bitcoin C. Okay, cool. Has maintained a side hustle. Wow. For years, the US government has maintained a side hustle auctioning Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Historically, Uncle Sam has done a pretty good of job of timing the market. This article here clearly doesn't like them guys, right? When you start seeing words like lousy and yeah, so maybe you know maybe yeah, maybe I just ignore that for now and then go from there. What else? Not a whole lot. Not a whole lot in terms of news. Them. Lalo, hi, hello. Not been minds. Let the scarcity pump the price, Stewart. Let's gold the gold price. Let's go. Um, Avi says into the dark metaverse, guys. Now UFO. Well, thank you for sharing. And yeah. Yeah, not a whole lot happening in this space in terms of news and anything else. So yeah, Bitcoin is back about $47,000 here, so that's good. Shiba, not really doing a whole lot there. Yeah. Take care, Avi. Right, that UFO. Cooking. Hello. What's up? How are you? Um, here you go. Yeah, let's give it another 10 minutes or so, guys, and then go from there. Thoughts on Solana entry? Let me take a look at Sol. Again, if you have any questions, please make sure you're asking. Right, I'm going to take a look at the daily chart here for Solana and see potentially where an entry would be at there. For Sol, I'd be looking for like 160 there. Like 160, 150, right? Like scale in on multiple levels, right? But I'd be looking for like 160, 160, 150 there. Yeah. That's what I'd be looking for. I know it seems like such a simple answer, but from a technical point of view, like $150 would be pretty nice. 160, not too bad, right? So, and yeah, SLS, not a whole lot. Um, it looks like about the news with the Asian market, and then Donnie, what about the news with the Asian market and them losing OKEX? And haven't seen that yet, Donnie. Haven't seen that. At 150, there you go, right, Stuart? Yeah, I'm like 150. It has some really good support at 150, right? So 160, 150 here, not too bad of a level at all. Scaling, right? Scaling them. Uh, Cooking, how do you feel about Elon? Elon is the same as everything else, right? Elon, if you take a look at the chart for Elon, it looks very similar to Mana, looks very similar to Gala, looks very similar to Shiba, right? All these charts look very similar. Just waiting for the entire crypto market here to turn around and then start pumping, right? So Elon has some really good support around like what level is that? Like eight. When I say eight, you know what I mean, right? 0.0000008. Are those platforms any longer parts of Asia? Okay. I mean, they've talked about it, like cleansing, right? Cleansing like cryptocurrency. Donnie, over the last few months or so, they've come out and reiterated that yeah, we're cleansing, right? You know, from mining to Bitcoin to all this rubbish, they're cleansing. So is that a surprise? No. We know most of the mining is shifted to the U.S. anyways. Um, it is what it is. If you said next time, Denise. Is my okay, Denise, absolutely, absolutely. So then Denise says, Rob is my husband and he watches you all the time. He's the one who said good morning after his nap. Okay, it was his birthday this weekend, and I know it would mean the world to him if you said happy birthday to him the next time he logged on. Denise, absolutely. Rob, next time Rob comes on, absolutely, I'm gonna give him yeah, absolutely, Denise, of course. Um, no, Rob has been a good like supporter to the channel. Yeah, Rob is cool. Happy birthday. Yeah. So next time he comes on, guys. Next time he comes on, we're gonna have to say happy birthday. Yeah. Discord. Okay. It will be a nice surprise for him. Let's go. Yeah, it's gonna be a surprise, guys. Rob is gonna come on. Crypto token. Oh wow. Okay, cool. I haven't looked at that yet. So 1 second here. Let me take a look at this article here. Uh, won't be my so much though. No, that there's a different Rob. It's a different Rob. So here we go. What's this here? Amazon, right? So I'm not sure who this news source is, but which is always important, right? You always want to take a look at the news source. So Amazon Crypto Token 2022. When is Amazon launching it? Cool. With the world seemingly ready to jump feet first into the world of cryptocurrency, Amazon already to get involved in the scene and launch their own crypto token in 2022. The details are at this juncture are as yet unclear, right? But it appears as though Amazon are setting up a blockchain and preparing for launching their own cryptocurrency. Cool, right? And fintech magazine, what is Amazon looking for? The employment advertise suggests Amazon are looking for an experienced product. Okay, so we know Amazon was hiring. Like a few months ago, Amazon came. Amazon hired, Walmart hired, right? All these platforms are hiring people like to lead the cryptocurrency divisions there. So no surprise there. I'm just looking to see if there's actually anything new here because we know Amazon is working on the token, right? We talked about this when Dogecoin was pumping. The fact that yeah, these guys are working on their own thing. So is there actually anything new here? More details? Not quite sure. When is Amazon launching? So 2022 is set to be the year Amazon launches their own cryptocurrency, but they have no details yet. It expects that customers will be able to use Amazon crypto token while shopping on Amazon website, although to implement is still unclear. Okay, cool. So nothing new here, right? Nothing new there. From Nothing new. uh, Rob is going to be questioning the data protection act breach. Come on, can we get Denise? Can we get a? It will be a nice surprise. Can we get Rob? Where's Rob, guys? Maybe don't say anything, Denise, because if you say something, he's gonna know. He's gonna know you said something. So don't say anything, please and thank you. Next time Rob comes on, we're gonna have to say, Rob, happy birthday. Hopefully, I can remember. I'm sure someone's gonna remember, but yeah. Let's get Rob some birthday merch. Let's go. Right? Where's Rob? Uh, Something? Rob? Yeah? Okay, nice. Where's the strap-ons? At Sesh, what strap-ons? We don't need strap-ons. Uh, strap-ons. So there you go. Just looking for Amazon news there. Look at that nice little pump there for crypto. Again, Bitcoin pumping there a little bit. Well, we can call this a pump, even though it's $100. And Shiba, guys, come on, Shiba, let's go. Let's go for a nice little run here, guys. So it seems like we do this every night, and then we just give up. Right, just give up. Just give up, give up. Come on, uh, does Andrew know Holmes? No. Does Rob know Holmes? Um, no, don't think so. 48 soon. How soon? Give us a time. Behind the wick. How soon? You just ordered some food, Beth. What did you order? What am I? I'm thinking I'll have a salad, Beth. What did you order? What did you order, Beth? Like some tacos, some sopa. What did you order? How soon? How soon behind the wig? Give me a timeline. When you say soon, what do you mean? So we know how long we have to wait for. For birthday, Andres says, "Let's burn some sheep for Rob's birthday. Some pizza. Okay, nice. Some pizza. Have some cheese pizza. I think I'll have that tomorrow, Beth. Some four cheese pizza, whatever. Um, So tomorrow. We have a new member, guys. We have a new member. Channel supporter, Sean. Let's go, Sean. Come on. Thank you very much for becoming a member. Thank you for the support, Sean. Welcome to the family. It's good to have you. Um, that's a. I think I need to read the whole that whole name together. Because I think I might be misreading that. I think I need to read like Sean. Um, um, Sopa sounds good right now. Sopa, Steve, yeah. So again, welcome. Thank you for the support. So now you're a channel member. You have all the emojis. Again, guys, if you want to sign up for Discord and join us in the community, you have to sign up for the Discord level membership, right? So just keep that in mind. Shauna, yeah, Lewis, yeah, there you go. Shauna, guy, Shauna. I think yeah, Shauna. Um, there you go. It's Shauna, I think. Thank you, Lewis. And give you short-term price auction, but nah, that's boring. Behind, yeah, no. There you go. Yeah, too much work. I miss being on the stream. Too much work. Kobe, that's okay, Kobe. Don't worry. That's okay. Right, we're gonna be here. Whenever you're here, whenever you're ready. Um, what's It's based on Mr. Will. How much is the Discord, my friend? I'll sign up and give you a free predictions. Oh, you want to sign up for Discord and give you free predictions? Um, let's see. La 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 la. Uh, Work is overrated. You know how? Um, Yeah. So again, Discord is multiple levels, right? For members, or not Discord. So the membership is multiple levels. So if you want to become a member, here's the membership link. We're gonna, Virus, you're gonna, Amber, you guys are gonna regret this. But again, so Discord membership is multiple levels. So again, that's the membership link that's showing up in the chat there now. So just go over the levels and see what you want to sign up for. To be a part of Discord, though, minimum you have to sign up for the Discord level. So check it out. There you go, Virus. As we are, again, not really doing a whole lot, just chilling. All the debt. Nah, yeah, come on. Let's go behind the wig. Let's see that crypto information here. So yeah, sign up for Discord, right? And then virus with the popcorn. We're ready, right? So sign up for Discord. The link is right there, just above. It's Nightbot shared, right? So click on that link there. Come join us in Discord, and then go to the crypto channel there, and you know, any funny jokes? For some funny jokes. What funny jokes do I know? Waiting here patiently for 48 too. Stuart, since you're not a member, Stuart, you're gonna miss all the drama that happens because you're not in there. You're waiting for YouTube, Stuart, but I bet you there's gonna be some rubbish. As we go. Let me take a look at that and that and that and that. Cool, cool. And okay, good to go. Look at that. You have to become a member. You have to become a Discord member to join Discord. Behind the wig. Well, thank you very much for the support. Thank you, thank you, thank you. But in order to join Discord, you have to sign up for the Discord level. See how there are multiple levels on there. So the level you signed up for is the channel supporter level, right? So have the emojis and the green names and all the stuff. You're gonna sit and watch. There you go. Welcome, welcome, right? New member. There you go. So, but in order to join Discord, you have to sign up for Discord. So then there's a level they call Discord, right, and then go from there. So, you can go to the if you want to upgrade, you can go to your Google account and just click on upgrade or whatever you need to do. Right. That's a start. Well, that's a start behind the wig. Well, thank you for the support behind the wig. So there you go. Um, Beth, you know, hey yo, Brian. Hey yo, how are you? Trust takes time to build. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, again, that's both ways, right? So absolutely. So Bitcoin here again, guys. What are we waiting for? I know again. I know behind the wick is mentioned some levels here, but ultimately we're looking for Bitcoin to reclaim about $50,000, right? Because that's really where from a psychological point of view, that built a lot of confidence. You're like, oh, okay, well, for me because right, people take a look at especially retail, they're like, okay, 47, 48, 46, 49, right? What's the difference? I don't know, right? But once you break above $50,000, you're like, oh, okay, well, can we now get to $60,000, right? That again, that psychological hope comes in, and then all the rest of the crypto market starts to recover, right? So we need 50K there, and of course Shiba and everything else waiting. um uh, yeah, I was to say, Brian. Yeah, we've done well. Yeah, we've been okay. Yeah, holding Elon. These styles, a few members. Oh, quite a few actually. These styles as Bitcoin is trying to go here. Come on, let's go. First, ask the doctor. Yeah, I don't know if I want to cover all that drama there. Here's Johnny's you, Satoshi, and ask the doctor. Yeah, there's been a lot of drama on Twitter. Right, a lot of drama going on there. So on its options trading, and it's been good. Let's go, Brian. Right, just be safe. Take it baby steps at a time, please and thank you. Right, baby steps at a time, because options can be like the end of your account. Right. So again, baby steps, and yeah, Brian, good job, right? And let's go. Here's Johnny. You says, hey, hey, how are you? I know there's a lot of drama going on there. Just mm, not available. Cool, cool, cool. So yeah, the last tweet here I see from Ask the Doctor is something like you approve that verification doesn't matter, right? So there's a lot of stuff going on there. There you go, guys. We are 30 subscribers away. Tell me the drama. Uh, is yeah. So there's 30 subscribers away, guys, from that 50K. So yeah, keep smashing that like, subscribing, and let's get this giveaway. So again, let's get this giveaway done, and then hopefully we can do it before we go for Christmas or before the New Year. And yeah, boom boom candles, boom boom boom. Somebody say wayo wayo, right? So yeah, Bitcoin trying to recover the Shiba, of course, is gonna follow, right? The entire crypto market is gonna recover if Bitcoin decides to go for a run here. So come on, let's go, let's go, Wayo, let's go, Beth, let's go. I got back into BBI like 3 months of options and made $200 this morning. Okay, good job, Brian. Good job, good job. Yeah, BBIG had a good day today. Good job, Wayo. Mike says, "What's a good coin to buy right now?" Mike, there's so many names to look at. All like ask the doctor, all like rug pullers. I bet you. Again, we talked about this, right? We talked about the fact that okay, this ask the doctor guy. Does he have like ulterior motives, right? Buying $1.5 million with the Shiba, right? And all these like overly bullish things we're hearing from him. Does he have anything else, that we're not aware of? Um, you know, so a lot of these guys just want to capitalize off the momentum, of the Shiba momentum, of the Dogecoin momentum, of the fluky momentum. So I try not to pay too much attention to them. I honestly don't care about Ask the Doctor. Um, Hopefully, he doesn't cause too much drama there. I, s- I said boom boom boom. Everybody, that's so old, Ryan. Oh, right. It's because of the candles, Brian. Because of the candles. On the classic, it's a classic, classic. Na 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 na. 1 second here. I'm just browsing. Does BIG have any? Oh wow, there's a lot of excitement here for BBIG. Okay. I'm new to this, but would love to know a few coins I can you can put on, Mike. So just create a watch list. So maybe people in the chat here can give you a watch list. So what I usually like to recommend is, if you're brand new to this, can you find something that you're interested in, right? Is it gaming? Is it the metaverse? Like, are you getting into crypto because you like the metaverse, right? So are you getting in because you like exchange? Just so many things you could look for. Right, and then once you find a niche that you like, right, and then now you can start looking for some coins in that particular niche, right? So that would be my recommendation for you. It's always nice. Again, it doesn't matter what type of investment you do. When you initially come to market, whether it's the stock market or the crypto market, you want to find something that you're genuinely interested in, right? Because there's a lot of volatility, and when you go out through when you move. These waves, you can always ride the waves because you're like, oh well, anyways, I like the metaverse, so I can keep holding this thing for a long time because I believe in the metaverse. Whereas if we're giving you names, right, it complicates things a little bit. Like you're like, oh my goodness, these guys on YouTube gave me this name. I have no idea what it is. I bought it. Why? And now, I don't even know what to do with it. Um, instant good vibe. Yeah. So yeah, give us some more details, Mike. And then of course we can maybe give you some suggestions on things to look for. On first for sure. Yeah, there you go. Absolutely, Mike. Right. So give us some details if you're in, like, what brought you to crypto, and then maybe we can give you some suggestions. Stuart does a lot of research, and a whole bunch of people do a lot of research. So yeah, let us know what you're looking for, and we can maybe give you a little bit of help, guys. So virus, we're getting close. Virus, we're getting close to it. 30, less than 30 subscribers there, and then we can get the Shiba. We can get this giveaway going here. Look at Bitcoin go for a nice little run there, guys. We're riding that moving average higher there. Very nice. Money. What brought you to crypto? Money. 47.5. There you go, Shiba. Come on, right? Let's go, guys. I'm ready for a pump. I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready for a crypto pump here. Look at Shiba go for a nice little run up there. Come on, let's go. Right? Ready for this crypto pump. Whether it's tonight, if crypto wants to keep us awake all night because it's pumping, I'm fine with that. But let's get it moving here. Let's get going. Shiba Inu coin says who? Let's go, guys. Come on, let's go. Uh, what brought you to crypto? Money brought me to crypto, guys. That's Mike's response. No. You bought 2K at 88. Andres, what did you buy at 88? I think I missed your first question then. Aslam, no. So you bought Shiba at 88. Would I be selling here close to 30? I don't think I would, Andres. If that's what you're talking about. Come on, Shiba. Give us a 32. Come on, 32. Bitcoin go. Shiba go. Let's go, guys. I bet you all the other coins are trying to recover here as well. You found a home? Yeah, let's go, Mike. Welcome to Hot Trades. Money for sure. There you go. All right. Money for sure. There you go. Shiba Inu coin? Absolutely. 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 Welcome. All right. So learning every day. Oh, yeah. It's a learning experience. Like, turn into 10 inch, right? So you guys are waiting for 1 inch to turn into something else. It's trying, it's pumping. This is fun. Behind the wick says this is fun. Come on, we want those candles, guys. Boom, boom, boom. Wayo, let's go. So let's keep going here. So Shiba again came back down and tested that 30 level. We hope we can keep holding that level. Hopefully, all these coins that we mentioned earlier in the stream, most of these names like the Manas, the Galas, the Sands, the Crows, all these names, doesn't matter what sector they're in, it seems like they're ready to go. Like they genuinely seem like they're ready to go from a technical point of view, just waiting for Bitcoin to get its rubbish together, and then these coins are gonna go. Will be the next. And Gala, again, so Gala is Gala again, the metaverse play there. Gala, don't mind Gala at all, right? So my recommendation for you, these things are sitting on some very nice levels, right? But my I'd consider like yeah, like scale in, right? So initially, if you have $100 to buy, start with $10, right? Start scaling in just in case we have some nice dips in the future. But these things are sitting on some very nice levels, right? We've had like a 2 week sell off, right? So share the okay, cool. There you go. So yeah. Yeah, again, most of us like Shiba and Gala, right? So Shiba and Gala, yeah. But those just because they're sitting at some really good levels, that these are nice buying levels. But I still recommend scaling in just in case Bitcoin decides to keep crashing, because that's completely out of our control, right? So, and then don't forget to smash a like, guys. If you haven't already, smash a like, hit that subscribe. And if you want to come join us in Discord for some more crypto talk, right? Once when the stream ends, some more for a community, come join us. The membership link was just shared there by Virus. So yeah, come join us and let's keep going. Nah. Ooh, what's that? Looking for holiday gift? Oh, cool. Cool, cool, cool. There you go. Just quickly browsing some new stuff here, guys. Um, feel like we've covered every news article we wanted to cover today. With Shiba, I am learning to be patient, Andres. Yeah. Crypto requires a lot of patience. Shiba required a lot of patience initially, and then eventually went for a 700% move there. So a lot of patience is required. So we're testing and holding above some key support now for Shiba. Hopefully, we can keep doing that. As you can see here, right, as Bitcoin decides to retrace here a little bit, Shiba is going to do the exact same thing, right? So, surprise, surprise, no, no, right? We're waiting for Bitcoin here to recover, and then we can talk, right? So, we've been riding this moving average higher here nicely. Let's see if we can hold around that level and then go from there. Come on, Shiba, let's go. There's a pump coming here again behind the wick. Behind the wick says pump incoming. Pump incoming. Come on, behind the wick. Let's go for Bitcoin. Yeah, waiting for that pump. Come on, give us that pump. We're holding above that moving average, which is again holding that level there. Let's see if we can bounce and keep going. Shiba, get us to 32, please, and thank you. Patience is king in crypto. Yeah, patience is king in the right, in most things. If you can do the research and buy the right place there, right, you can really get rewarded by being patient. So back decent volume back for Shiba too. Stuart, yeah. Stuart, this is the most behaved you've been in the in the last wow. There you go. Yeah, some nice volume coming in. I mean, nothing compared to what it's been in the past there. But this is nice, right? Get that volume back in. We're bouncing off a nice level there. Let's go for a pump. I feel like something special is coming. Hopefully, we're about to get a Santa Claus. Wake has a lot of money to make it pump like this. Right? Is the community the whales, the madness? Wow. Look at that pump, guys. Whoa, 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 whoa. What's happening here now? Is this Christmas, guys? Is Santa Claus coming to town? What's happening? Like crypto is just going mad here now. We have a Mr. Whale. We have a whale in the chat, guys. Behind the wig says pump here again. Watch this. What are you doing? Like you are a whale. Like this is not even we're not even playing games anymore here. Like look at Shiba pump, look at Bitcoin pump. You know what? Please come. Right? That's a pump. Christmas pump. Let's go, Shiba. Behind the wig says, "Watch this. Watch this." I'm hearing jingle bells. You're hearing Santa Claus flying over your house, Roberts. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bell. To the moon we go. Time for the moon. Can I kiss your feet? Uh, can I kiss your feet? Behind the wick, guys. Come on. Give us some more information, please, and thank you. What the heck, Sierra? So behind the week, now you need to upgrade your membership to Discord and come join us because we could use all this whale information here. Come join us. We want to see this wick the whale, right? Wick the whale. Um, Wick the whale. That's not just a small pump. Like that's not just a small pump, guys. These are the biggest candles we've had here in a little bit, right? Since we've been streaming, these are the biggest candles we've had in the last 2 hours. So that's pretty impressive. Let's keep going. Shiba is sitting around 32 there. So nice, right? Come on. Thank you, Mr. Wick. Mr. Wick. Um, behavior. Um, I'll keep watching. But wow, I said sure. Give it some time. Okay, there you go. Give us some rockets. Andres, give us some rockets. That was a rocket deserving pump, guys. Look at that. That was an absolute rocket there. Again, let's see if we can get to 50K, guys, right? $50,000. If we can get to that level, that'd be nice. To 60K, please. Let's get back above 50, Eric, and then we can talk about the 60s and to all-time highs again. What's GMPD? Coval, y'all. What's your position? Let me know. Oh, the launch. Oh yeah, that's research you'd have to do on your own, right? If it's not available for trade yet, then you have to do that research, right? So Wick showed us who he was. El Salvador burned the dip again. Yep. That's billions. The manners. Yeah, that's madness. That's the first time one of those predictions actually worked, guys. Someone saying we're about to pump. That's the first time it actually worked. So, Mr. Wick, what are you looking for now? Let's see the next. When's the next pump coming? When's the next pump? What's your world friends? For your world friends, what are they saying? For doubting you behind the wick, we attract a lot of crack. Varus, Varus says, oh Varus, you know what I'm thinking. But yeah, you know we're still feeling a resistance, guys, right? We know this resistance here, 475. Are we struggling at that level? Yeah, we are, right? So we're struggling around 475 there, so we need to reclaim this level, hold above that level, and we're good to go. So whenever you're on the chart, whenever you're looking at the chart, and you can see that, okay, we had a nice bump, but then the next candle is lower and lower and lower, you expect a sell-off, right? So again, here comes Bitcoin. Let's see if we can hold above like 474, like 474 here, and recover back above that 475 and keep going. For now, again, some lower highs, a nice little sell off there, expected, no surprise, right? Well, what we're doing here now is riding above that moving average, right? Again, the 9, holding, testing, and holding. So again, testing and holding this level here, that's still completely okay, right? So that's yeah, Shiba is doing the exact same thing then. The 483, okay, looks nice. Okay, you don't know how soon. So fast pumping, lazy. So fast pumping. I mean, so fast shouldn't be pumping at this time. So yeah, behind the wick says I don't know how soon. Mr. Mr. Wick, is that the new 8 ball Sierra? um, the 9, Robert, the 9. Just looking at the line. um, that's pretty funny. Not gonna lie. Um, you're yep, virus. You already know. Yep, yep. There you go. Shiba to the moon. Let's go, Shiba. Please don't sell me, Wick. Mr. Wick, don't sell Mr. Wick. Mr. Wick, please don't sell it. Has to cycle. Traders have to take profits and get stopped out. Yeah. And again, so we're hitting that level and holding, right? This is what we want to hold here, right? As you can see here, we've been riding this moving average higher, right? You can see now that these candles are bouncing off that level. Is that a good sign? Yes, it's a very good sign, right? If we can keep riding this moving average higher and break above there, above 475 there, that's a good sign, right? So yeah, we look fine there for now. Completely okay there, Shiba. Shiba looks okay. That's pretty funny. Pretty funny. Um, we said 10 minutes, like like 20 minutes ago. So let's give it another 10 minutes, guys, and see how the market is looking, and then we can take a break and hang out in Discord, right? So again, 10 more minutes, and then go from there, and then yeah, come back tomorrow. Shiba needs to go to 10 cents. Eric, well, we have some other business to take care of, like burning zeros, or getting back about 50, or um, uh, your wife just got home. Your wife got home. Tell her that you're taking care of some very important business. No, just kidding. So you're leaving. Some good support here. Miss trying to, right? Around, like, yeah, just trying to. You could tell that Shiba is really ready to go. Like, everything is ready to go. Like, things are primed to go here, right? Waiting for Bitcoin to perform, like to do better. But everything else is ready to go. You can see how ready Shiba was to pump here. Shiba was ready to pump, right? Most of these names already. So just waiting for Mr. Bitcoin, guys. Some good support here around 475, 474, like we mentioned, right? It's trying. Here we go again now. Come on. Holding the moving average, right? Trying to go there. Come on, let's go. Trading comes second. Your yeah, family's, yeah. There you go. Right, behind. Yeah. See you on the next one. Sounds good. Behind this, the week. See you on the next one. Again, thank you for the support. Thank you for becoming a member. Um, enjoy the family time. Yeah, there you go. Stuart says fair play. uh, a crystal ball. We have just found a crystal ball. Yep. 10 minutes. Take care. Take care. Behind the wig. Take care. See you next time. Our wheel is gone, guys. Our wheel is gone. So here we are. We're gonna sell off now. Just watch. We're gonna sell off. Um, yeah. Here comes the sell off. Greg, what's up? What's up? Good to see you. Good to see you as well, Greg. How are you? How are you? How are you? Yeah, no surprise there though, guys. For Bitcoin, we're sitting right at resistance, right? That's usually what happens, anyways. We're sitting just around resistance here, 475. It's not a surprise that we had a nice pump, but now we've met the match, right? We've again, so it's been free pumping, like free to go, but we finally hit resistance there. That's what those lines are, right? Those orange lines there, pink lines, and color blind, So yeah, pink hit that level, and here we are retracing a little bit. Surprise? No, right? So let's see if we can hold 47.4 and then recover. Shiba, no exception there. You're doing good, Greg? Okay, good. Good, 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 good. Good, good, good. Let's see. What else? What else is on the list here, guys? What else is on the to watch? Again, guys, so about 8 more minutes here. Let me know if you have any last questions, and then we can go from there, right? So let me know if you have any questions. We can cover those questions. And again, if you're not a member yet and you want to continue crypto talk, come join us in Discord, right? Don't forget to smash a like. Let's get to 100. Are we at 100 yet? We hit 100 likes. Let's go. Thank you guys very much for the support, guys. Right. So let's go. Oh, no, no. Yeah, I don't see anything else on my list. I just have a list of things I wanted to look for today to cover. Don't see anything that anything that I left out here. Not a whole lot, but so not a whole lot. Mm, no, no, no. Yeah, here you go. Craig says, did you notice Bitcoin moved in a range around before the pump $100? Not really. Not really, really. Yeah, Craig. Honestly, like I tend to ignore. Uh, like I tend to ignore a lot of data. Like when we're sitting in the tight range, I tend to ignore a lot of stuff until we actually finally break above that. It's almost like like I'm like, oh, okay, well, if we're sitting like right in between this range, I don't really care. As if we keep going up, down, up, down, up, down, I don't care until we break above one of those ranges, and then okay, and then I really pay attention to, right? So, um, yeah. as a Bitcoin here, we know we have support around like 47474 here. It's trying. Like you can see what those candles are doing there. They're trying to hold above that level, right? We're forming some higher lows here now. That's a good sign, right? Let's see if we can go for a nice little run here before we before we take a break and then go from there. Had heavy. Exactly right, Craig. Yeah, have had to break heavy one way or the other. Yeah. Otherwise, we're just doing the same thing we've been doing, up, down, and it just gets super annoying. We need to clear like big levels of resistance, and then that FOMO comes in, and then we're good to go, right? So again, there's that green candle, right, guys? As for forming some higher lows, right? Higher low, higher low, higher low. Green candle, here we come, right? Same thing here as we were forming a lower high, lower high, lower high. You expect the red candle, same thing here, right? Higher low, higher low, higher low. You expect the green candle. So come on, Bitcoin, can we get back above and start pumping here? Is tonight the night? Is tonight the night we go for we start recovering for crypto, guys? It's tonight the night. We go for that pump. Come on, give us a 47.5. 47.5. Nah, 999. Okay, cool. Yeah, we're sitting right against resistance there for Bitcoin, right? Like right against resistance. We struggled at that level a bit, right? Sitting right against it there. Not sure why if all of a sudden Shiba isn't following anymore, right? Like Shiba really isn't following. There's two green candles here for Bitcoin, which is you know, which is fine. Christmas rally, let's go. Christmas rally, guys. Bitcoin. So well, not really the stock market. Some of these names have had some of the names we covered in the stock market have had some really nice Christmas rallies. But we need crypto now to give us that Stewart, that Christmas rally. We needed to give us a Chris. What would be a Christmas crypto name? Not the Christmas, but something else. You know. Mm. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 1 second here, guys. Just a message here. No, but I'm still allowing portfolio. I don't know exactly what to do. No, if you do like to send your interest in negative positions, trading view. No, any day on the left, you could. I know you're pretty busy, but let me know this week, and I can send you the images. Okay, cool. Here you go. Just some messages there. Christmas rally has to be soon. Total market recovery soon. Yeah, I hope so. It's been um it's been rubbish for way too long here. Soon, 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 please and thank you. Please and thank you. Oh wow. Okay. No, no. Yeah, let's see what happens here at 475, guys, and then we can hop off and come back tomorrow or whenever, right? So, or unless something magical is happening later tonight, and then we can come back. But yeah, let's see what happens here. If we fail at this level, yeah, and then we can take a break and then come back tomorrow, later, whenever, and then yeah. So again, guys, thank you very much for smashing that like. Welcome to the new members. Right. So and yeah. Give it about 2 more minutes here, and then we can take a break if nothing happens, right? And then go from there. Craig says good night. Good night, Craig. Good night. Good night. Have a wonderful evening. Crypto Mass, there it is. Merry Crypto Mass, guys. Merry Crypto Mass. That's what we're gonna call it, guys. Merry Crypto Mass. I like that very much. I like that. Don't worry, if crypto pumps, I'm gonna use that for the title of the next stream. Um, Merry Crypto Mass. Um, if crypto pumps right into the holidays, we're gonna use that. Merry Crypto Mass. Ho ho ho. Merry Crypto Mass. Sydney, good evening, my good people. Let's go, Sydney. Good to see you. What type of music am I playing? I'm playing like um, just like non-copyrighted music. Showtime. It's called. So if you go, it's called like if you go on Spotify, it's Stream Beats by Harris Heller, right? And then it's like the hip hop of playlist. No, yeah, Sydney, we just wanted to come on and hang out for a bit. Nothing's really happening with crypto anyways, so we just some news and whatnot, and some fun and some laughter, and then right. So about another minute or so. Let's see. Almost like again, like we mentioned earlier, these names are setting up to run. Like crypto is setting up here to run. It seems like it wants to go. Uh, but they're just hesitating here. Shiba again pushing for that 32 level there, really good sign, right? So you fell asleep, Big Apple. Unbelievable. It's because you're trading stocks and crypto. It's a long day. It's nighttime for you, anyways. It's what is it? It's like it's is it like almost like 4 a.m. for you guys? That's impressive. Uh, after the next dog title, yep. Next after yep, dog title, yep, virus. As soon as I get a chance to, but no, not quite yet. Not quite yet, Sydney. Not quite yet. Here we go, right? Come on, let's go. We want to see some boom boom candles, guys. You want to see these candles explode. We're ready for it. If we we're ready for it here. Come on. I bet you will. I bet you this thing is gonna keep dragging and dragging, and we're gonna be here in the next. We're still gonna be here in an hour, um, just because crypto is setting up here to go for a run. Here we go. Come on. I wish Shiba would just go for a crazy run on its own. Just start pushing for the 35s and the 40s and the 50s. Here we go, guys. Look at that. Look at Bitcoin go here. Wow. You see what we mean though? Like you can see how sometimes you can tell that these things are setting up to go for runs. Like crypto is ready to go. Like crypto is genuinely like it's ready to go there. Not sure what it's waiting for. Like these candles are proof here now. Like look at that thing go. $48,000, guys, right? For Bitcoin here. Shiba trying to break 32 still, right? Come on. Let's go already. Shiba, stop slacking. Let's go. Wow, wow, wow. Let's go. Christy says, wow, watching a movie, quarantine, uh, made in 20. Scary way to Santorina? Okay. Quarantine. Let's go, Obed. Come on. Pump it up. Pump it up, guys. I'm telling you. Like, we're talking about hopping off in a minute. Yeah, that's not going to happen. Especially the way like Bitcoin is looking here, right? Setting up to go for those runs here. Here we go. $48,000. Come on, give it to us. Give it to us, please, and thank you. Let's go, Beth. These are nice pumps. Yeah, we've gone from one like 46,000, just below 47 to 48. Right, so that's a nice pump. That's a really nice pump there. Pump it up, as predicted by our new crypto messiah. Right, he's saying his friends are the whales. Giving some details again. It's as simple as scaling in buying those dips and then just waiting for the pump, right? I'm ready to go all night. You got your coffee ready, Obed? I'm ready to go all night. I have my cookies ready to go and my water and a smoothie. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. If we want to go crazy here tonight, I'm ready. Let's la. There you go. We need a new messiah. Where's our new messiah, guys? Stuart, he's gone. The wife said, "Hey, Mister, get off the computer." I bet you the wife is the whale. People are finally done Christmas shopping. Yeah, Christmas shopping is complete, guys. Here we go now for crypto. It's a crypto night. Crypto night. Back about $4,000, Robert. Very nice. Ethereum, yeah. Let's go. Our channel is the best. Yeah, we have a pretty cool like group of people. Like we do, like we really do. Like so Cryptomas. It's time for Cryptomas, guys. Let's go, Cryptomas. Do I want to change the title, guys? I'm going to change the title of the stream to uh, Merry Cryptomas. Let me see if I can do that. Merry. Uh, here you go. It's complete, guys. Well, not yet. Merry Cryptomas. There you go. Title complete. 483 incoming. Let's go 483. 483. Mods are questionable. Yep, Andrew. Best community? Yeah. Wives. Come on, give us $48,000 here, Stewart. $48,000 for Bitcoin. High star. Hello, hello. Mods are highly questionable. Not just questionable, highly, highly, extremely. Uh, on the record date for the spin-off DVD. Alarm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. There you go. Come on. Look at that, guys. We're setting off for nights. $48,000 for Bitcoin, guys. And counting. $48,000. Here we go. 48.1, right? 481 there. The rockets are being left behind here. Let's go. Shiba is back above 32. Is that a good sign? Yeah, that's a really good sign, right? Let's keep going, guys. Well, Merry Cryptomas to you guys. Behind the wick is back, guys. Behind the wick is back. He saw this and said, wife, please, can you give me a few minutes here? I need to go talk to my newfound friends. Token still pumping too. Football tokens. Wow, Stuart, amazing. Um, let's see here. The best kind of mods. There you go. Man City's going. Yeah, Man City, Larry. Mike. Yeah, come on. Man City PSG. These are football tokens. Let's keep going. Merry Crypto Mass, guys. Crypto what? Mass. Um, here you go. Overrated. Let's keep going. There you go. Mr. Wick, yeah, Mr. Wick, thank you for the information there from the whale friends, the whales. Um, uh, so yeah, again, let's see, we can keep going here. What's the difference between Mr. Whale and behind the Wick? Wick became a member. Let's go, Virus. Wick is on you. Yep. Like Stuart said on Messiah. Yeah. Again, we still need to break above some key levels, though, right, guys? This is fun. Like this is fun. Um, but we still need to get back above 50K to really build that confidence for these other smaller coins, right? So yeah. There you go. La 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 la. Stuart, do you have any of those like football tokens, like PSG, City, anything? Do you have any of them? Barcelona. Does Barcelona even have one? I know PSG had one, and City. Those are the two that I've kind of looked into. Um, his call have been backed up. There you go, right? Yeah. So City. If City, I bet you City won like the Champions League or anything. I bet you that like the City token would like really do well. Uh, Whereas Aston Villa, Everton as well. Sierra, wow, interesting. Everton is Everton at zero? Sierra, Everton should be point 0.00000 infinity, and then something. Aston Villa. Interesting. Yeah, I had no idea. Yeah, that's a nice way for them to make some gains. That's nice. Good smoke. Hello, 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 hello. Um, hello, good smoke. How are you? We said an hour. We said an hour and a half. We're sitting at 2 hours. Let's keep going here. If crypto wants to run tonight, guys, we're all ready. Like we're all ready for a crypto run, right? Let's keep going. Shiba, please go. Um, let me see here. Let me see. There's a new tweet here from the Shiba developer here. Let me see what they're saying. Safi. Oh, they're still like going fighting there. Oh, yeah, nothing there. uh, Aston Villa. Here we go, sheep. There we go, Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin wants to go again here. Come on. Give us that pump. We want to see $50,000, guys. If we have to stay up all night long, we're ready. But as long as you keep going, we're cool, right? Keep going, Bitcoin. Let's go, let's go. Come on. Give us a pump. After party, card after party, star. Only if crypto lets us take a break. So only if we this thing lets us take a break here. Some Call of Duty. Coffee time. The madness. Some coffee. You're getting some coffee? Okay, sounds good. Some coffee. Oh, you've missed the entire run, D Rock. You've missed the entire run. Oh, we have a new whale. I'm going to bed when I'm done. No star. Um, we'll see. We'll see. Star. Look at that, guys. Look at Bitcoin go here, right? Can we get to $50,000? Can we do that? Shiba looking really good there as well. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Crypto. Merry Cryptomas, guys. Merry Cryptomas. That's gonna be the hashtag for the next giveaway. Merry Cryptomas. Also, again, well, less than 30 subscribers away from doing some giveaways. So if you're not subscribed yet, smash that like, hit that subscribe, become a member, come join us. And this is wonderful, Sierra. This is wonderful, Sierra. Gains on gains today. Uh, it's been a gain day. It's been a really fun day for hot trades today. So let's keep going. Come on, be leaving. For 2022 will be social tokens. Okay, social tokens. Uh, Busy with some crypto stuff and found some real gems. D Rock. Okay, nice, 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 nice. D Rock, I wish you were a member so you could share this stuff in the crypto channel on Discord, so we can make these gains together. I'm driving. What are we? What are you watching? Hot slots. We're watching Bitcoin explode here, and then Shiba trying to follow. We're watching like the entire crypto market try and recover, right? For crypto mass. Here we go. Come on, let's go, guys. 8,200, guys. 8,848 200 here. So we want, what is our level that we so what's his name again, Mr. Wick talked about 48.3, right? So 48.3 is that level. So I'm going to put a line right there. So that's what he talked about, getting to 48.3. So it's been fairly accurate there. Let's see if we can get them, right? We're very close. Shiba is trying. uh Vivi, 483. Let's go. Behind the wig, yeah. Behind the wig. I'm calling him Mr. Wig now. Here we go, guys. 483. I'm gonna make sure that's on there. 483, guys. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's get it. 483. Here we go. Are you hiding like under the table from the wife? What are you doing behind the wig? Are you hiding like under the table, under the bed? Where are you hiding? In the basement? Outside? I guess you're not sleeping now, Ranger. I guess we're not sleeping, guys. Because cryptos decide to pump, and that's completely fine. But good into Lazio? Okay. Yeah, wow. If you're looking for a great football team, short term flips, okay. Lazio. Sma. Let's go behind the wick. Let's go. Come on. Give us a. So what's next? What's next behind the wick? What do you see next? What are the whales saying? What comes after this? Uh, right. Sopa gains, Shiba gains, hot slots. Right. Perfect. Amazing. Right. No sleep tonight. Hashtag Soku gang. I'm ready. Like we've rested enough. Right. We've had some nice, some days off, and we're ready for Shiba, for crypto in general, to go for a pump. So if it's ready, we're ready. Right. Let's go. If it's ready, we're ready. Like we are ready. Let me see here. La la la. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Cristobal, talk to us. Come on, Cristobal. So we're looking for some red candles here now, as we, forming some lower highs there on these candles. So just be careful here. Let's see again. So that's the level of resistance we're looking for. But these candles are giving us some. some things. That's selling us some things here. So some things. We're just struggling there a little bit. So just around that 483 there. I'm not looking into the crystal ball. Okay, that's fine. Right? I know, Stuart. I have been oversleeping in preparation here for a day like this. I'm ready. On Weibo? Okay, thank you, Kev. Thank you, thank you. Soon. Got to go. Oh no. Look, yeah, you're hiding from the wife. Please be careful before the wife um yeah, takes away those that will wallet. Again, we're forming some resistance levels there for Shiba. All right, so you're looking for 33. Honestly, I don't care where resistance is. I just want Shiba holding about 30 and pumping back to the 40s. That's what I want, right? Please and thank you. Uh, you overslept today, Beth. You overslept because you're ready. Like you subconsciously knew that crypto was gonna move here today, tonight. So you overslept, and now you're ready to go for the night, Beth. We're ready to pull an all nighter, guys. All nighter, all nighter. One second. Mm, there you go. And there we go, failing at that level, right, guys? Again, surprise, surprise, no, right? So, we talk about this all the time. Like, we don't necessarily have to guess where the top is going to be, right? We don't necessarily have to guess where the top is going to be, at least momentarily, because these candles will always prove that to you, right? They're always going to tell you, okay, yeah, we're failing and failing and failing. For now, we're still riding that moving average, right, guys? We've been riding this level for quite some time now, so nothing's changed. Shiba is going. Shiba says, I'm ready. I'm ready to go here. Shiba, keep going, please, and thank you. 32. Um, just some more Shiba. The level to buy Shiba was 30, guys, right? That's our level for support, right? Around like 30 there. That's a scaling level, at least for the last 24 hours, right? 10K cash ready to invest in Blaze Inu. Jimmy, let's go, Jimmy. Come on. Um, let me see. Keep going, Bitcoin. Yeah. Oh, neither. Uh, I'll see you in the moon. Uh, let's go. Hope you guys coffee with Shiba there. Oh yeah, we're ready for Shiba to pump, guys. We're ready to crush 50K subscribers tonight. Let me see how close we are. How close are we? We are? Oh wow. So there we go. Still again, still around like 30. Um, I'm telling you, there's something happening at that level. Something magical happening at that level. Uh, there you go. La la la. Let me see all of these comments here. Star says, oh, the real fast. Oh, la 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 la. I insist. Stuart says, I insist. I want to kiss your. I want to kiss your feet. I insist. I insist on kissing your feet, Mister Mist. Behind the week. Good night. Good night. Thank you very much for the world information there. Have a wonderful night. Please be careful before the wife finds you under the bed. There you go. Watch this. Yeah. Hopefully this is the start of hopefully this is the start of the crypto reversal here. Merry Crypto Mass, guys, right? So we changed the name of the stream, the title, right? Merry Crypto Mass. We're ready for Shiba to pump, ready for all these on Thursday for the long haul. Wisco, okay, sounds good. Crypt has been uncancelled. Christmas has been uncancelled. Merry Cryptomas. Ho ho ho. I would like to give Blaze a cookie. That's how much I like him, Jimmy. A cookie? Yeah, I like cookies. I have don't worry. Like I'm ready. I'm ready to go here. As Bitcoin again, riding that moving average, right? Holding, riding it, trying to reclaim that level. Resistance at 483 there. We're trying to break above. Come on, move that rocket higher maybe. That's why. Come on. Now that the rocket is higher, let's see if we can break above that level. Ho ho ho. Merry Cryptomas. From the doctor on all platforms for information. You on stuff from the doctor? Yeah. Swimming in cookies? Oh, don't worry. I have a. I don't want to. I don't want to because I'm ashamed of my box of cookies, guys. I have a pretty box of cookies right beside me. I'm not gonna show you guys because I'm ashamed of my my cookie addiction. 420. No, these are different cookies, Mindy. These are different cookies. Those cookies were, those cookies are like rock solid, and I was had to heat them up in the microwave, and they were in a. It took me way too long. We're gonna break it. Yeah, it's trying to. Right, we're getting some really good signs here for. So let's see if we can break above that level, then keep going. Interesting. Break it. Come on, D-Rock says you like cookies. Yeah, I mean, who doesn't like cookies? Here we go, guys, and it's gone. The rocket higher, and we keep going. We broke about 483, right? So keep going. We want 40. We want 50K, guys. 49,050K. Shiba, keep going, please, and thank you. Right? We want to see the pump. We want to see this thing continue to pump here, and keep going. You're telling me for the yeah. Tell me we need the money for the rock bites. The rock bites. No, it's because I had them too long, Mindy. I didn't eat them quite quick enough. Can I? Can we get Jimmy? Yeah. I mean, I want to see any more cookies for a while. Wisco? Yeah. Christmas cookies. Uh, I have to send him some fresh ones. Yeah. Some fresh cookies, guys. Those cookies were amazing. Like just the softness and the chocolate in them. Those cookies were amazing. Amazing, amazing. They're fresh out of the oven. No. Sure. Those microwave cookies, they're different. They're different. Slave. Let's go, Star, for the cookie addiction. Let's go. Thank you. Some cookies, guys. Some cookies, cookies. Yeah, let's see if we can hold about 483 here. Some, and then keep going. You can freeze cookies. Wait, you can freeze the cookies. Oh, and then so they still remain fresh once you take them out, Beth. Or like, what happens when you take them out? I'm ready to become Mr. Wick's slave. If he keeps this up, yep. I just want the next level, honestly, Stuart. I just want the next level. Go, yeah. Thank you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The cookie dance. Yeah. Um. What I have some like chocolate like oatmeal. That's not what I wanted, but that's all they had. Some chocolate oatmeal cookies. That's what they are. I just wanted some like like just just chocolate chip cookies. That's all I wanted. But they had to give me oatmeal, which is cool. Yeah, what's your favorite cookie, guys? Is what D Rock is asking. What's your favorite cookie in the chat? Let us know. 10 seconds, and they are so good. Yeah, 10 seconds, like 10 seconds star. Yeah, just a little bit of like just to melt the chocolate in them. Gelato. Oh, no, gelato. Yeah, what's your favorite cookie, guys? Let me know. Um, for the soccer addiction. Yeah. Um, thank you for the super chat, mini. There you go. Shortbread is your favorite. Okay. Homemades, chocolate chip. Nice. THC cookies, Robert. Okay. Um, honestly, Mindy, Mindy, on the scale, so a question that I asked Stewart was, on the scale of like one to useless, Mindy, where do you think you are? Like scale, one to useless, where do you think you are on that scale, Mindy? Can you let me know? Are you like on one, so you're very you're amazing, or like useless? At the very let me see. Let me know what you think. Okay, my favorite one is the happy cookie. The happy cookie, Andres. What's a happy cookie? What's a happy cookie? uh, how much do you think it's a good amount to have, Jason? There's no such thing as a good amount of anything to have. Is what can you afford, right? What can you afford? So for some people, 100 million is the minimum you should have in Shiba. But if you don't have that money, why would you have that much, right? So um um yep. Yep. Is this $2 useless? I knew you were doing. I knew that's exactly what you were doing. I knew you were sending a super chat. I knew it. As Bitcoin again is looking really good there, guys. Hopefully we can get to 49K here and start pushing for 50K again, right? That'd be very nice. Very, very nice. Um, is this $2? Is this $2 useless? No, your $2 is nothing to say. Are you seeing the sheep drama on Twitter with Ask the Doctor? Yeah, Raffle. Yeah, I've seen all of that between like Mister the Shiba developer there and Ask the Doctor there. So again, it seems like he's a fluky, he's a scammer, is what's happening there on Twitter. I mean, let's see what that doesn't necessarily translate to the chart here. So honestly, we just pay attention to what we're yeah, because the cards still can buy some cookies. Yeah, yeah, Star. Yeah, there you go. We're good, guys. We're good. Don't worry. Dan, those are the type of cookies you like. The fudge side. Okay. 50 cents times four equals 2 cones of ice cream. Uh, I think it's so. Um, I think it's something like 30%. Um, not like so initially, right? Initially, when I started looking into this, I thought it was like 45%. But I heard a number like some like from some YouTuber, something like 30%. But I'm honestly not sure. From my experience, I think it's like 45% there. Honestly, don't care. Regardless, it's rubbish. So let's keep going there. Yeah, sheep. So all good to the moon, Raffle. Yeah, right. So not exact. Yeah. The rocket, please and thank you. Yeah, scoot the rocket, please and thank you. Yeah, let move the rocket higher there, Beth. Yeah, okay, let it go up. You know what, Mindy? Perfect. There you go. Right. I wanted to tell you that your is this $2 useless? Well, first of all, it's not $2. Uh, is this okay? Correction. Is this 59 cent useless? No. There you go. That was my grandma's Christmas check. Wow. That was your grandma's Christmas check. Wow, Mindy. Well, thank you. Thank, thank you for giving me your grandma's Christmas check. Really appreciate that. Much love. Um, Good thing you're no longer spamming the raccoons. One cone of ice cream, Crystal. Um, that one cone of ice cream can only be bought in Mindy's town, Crystal. Um, go on, Grandma. Go on, Grandma. Come on. Let's go. It's red for the day, but has been doing well. See, so 2 days ago, Storm? Okay. Uh, 2 days ago? Yeah. Let's make a. Why is your grandma only giving you $10, Mindy? What's up with that? In gratitude, that's cool. Right? We should be grateful. But why is your grandma only giving you $10? Can we talk to Grandma Mindy? Uh, add flames to the rocket. Once you start pumping, we can. Let's go. Saturina says good night, everybody. Going to watch some more crazy movies. Everybody, watch No Escape Room. Oh, okay, I haven't seen that. What's up, Marlo? Hello. What's the deal with Shiba? So there's just some drama going on Twitter between the Shiba developer and honestly, don't wanna. That's too much drama for me. I don't have time for that rubbish. Don't want to be going through like tweets and tweets and tweets about drama. So I'm gonna ignore that. Yeah, because again, Shiba is clearly following Bitcoin, and that's the only thing that really matters, right? Look at Bitcoin go here, guys. Look at that. Look at these candles, right? The rockets, guys. As we move the rocket higher, we keep going. The rocket has done a lot of work today. Like this rocket, it's done a lot of work from SOPA to this, right? It's done a lot of work. Let's keep going here, guys. We want 49,000. We want 50K. Well, ready to pump. We want to party. $10 in grammar language equals $1,000. Yeah. Is looking for a raise. I know, right? I'm looking for a raise on this allowance, guys. I want to raise on my allowance. YouTube, can I get a raise, please? Please and thank you. Um, please and thank you. Make Yeah, exactly right, D Rock. Make up your mind, please and thank you. Just crypto in general. Make up your mind. Let's get going here. Uh, Crypto for Christmas, Crypto Grammy, guys, grandma in the house. Like, what's happening? We talk about grandma, and then Crypto Grammy shows up and says, "Kiddos are getting crypto for Christmas." That's amazing, right? And that's something really nice for if you buy the right one and they hold it for so many years, right? That could be really beneficial. So yeah, really good. Crypto for Christmas. That's amazing. I know quite a few people are like parents. I think Krista mentioned that as well, right? Giving away crypto for Christmas. Then, what are these tweets now? Hey, WebMD, I have a case of Wow, this drama is just not stopping, guys. So the last tweet here now from the Shiba developer says, at WebMD, I have an acute case of uh, gross scamoritis. Scamoritis symptoms include headaches, dry mouth with from screaming at my phone. Right, so I've tried tequila and blocking them, but nothing seems to help. My natural remedies. Natural remedies I should consider. Figured I should ask a real doctor. Wow. Figured I should ask a real doctor, guys. This drama is just not stopping on Twitter here. Wow, wow, wow. I'm giving my son, yeah, there you go, star. As Bitcoin continues, guys, Bitcoin continues to go here. Let's go. You too, Crystal? Christy? Yeah. She's, nah, I've tried and tried. Nah, into any? Yeah, that's fine. Nick, funny the first two tweets. Now I just wanna to call Dr. Phil. Yeah, honestly, Mindy, those tweets are becoming again. I'm glad it's not affecting anything here, really, right? In terms of like Shiba performance, I'm glad it's not. So the Twitter war, you mean? Oh yeah, Nick, yeah, it's something. See Dogecoin for Christmas among his other gifts. Okay, nice. Some Dogecoin. Been sending it to them for the Christmas for their birthdays too. Cryptogrammy. Wow, that's amazing, right? So rather than buy them toys, these are going to be things that they appreciate in the future, right? So yeah, that's amazing. I'd rather have crypto than some toys. But kids don't necessarily understand that, and that's fine. Yeah, so you almost have to do both. Nah, affecting is the doctor following counts. Yeah, that's the only thing that's getting affected, right? We know people are just unfollowing him, so a few days. Nah, yeah. Is I'm gonna yeah, there you go, Beth. To send the parents on holiday. Stuart, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Wow, 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 guys. We're just going here tonight. Like the party's just not stopping, right? Okay, let's keep going. Let's go as far as we can here. It'd be nice if Shiba could actually do some some extreme pumping here. We need a lot more than this for Shiba. Please and thank you. But Bitcoin is looking really good there, guys. Right? So here we are pushing for 47 again, 4487 here, looking for 49,000. And so far, wow, to make big money. Let's go, Beth. As much sheep as I do, she's 15. Her friends all have Shiba. The compare amount was cool. Yeah, no surprise. Like think names like Shiba and Dogecoin, like these are names that they're very popular. Like in like social media, just like socially aware coins. Um, yeah, so not surprised that your daughter, Andrew. Nah, 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 nah. Shiba Omi knows its foot. Yeah, so yeah, yeah. Uh, Vacation to Florida, Star, 2 weeks on crypto gains. That's amazing. Amazing, amazing, guys. There you go, Shiba. Come on. Let's go already. Bitcoin. Let's go. Please and thank you. Software designer. There you go. 1 million. There was a question I saw on Twitter. Would you rather have 1 million to spend on crypto now or go back to 2016 with $0? I mean, I go back to 2016 with $0. Um, but knowing what you know now, yeah, I go back to 2016 with $0. I mean, if you invested like a dollar when Shiba came out, um, $1, and that was not that long ago. Right, that's 2020. Right, $1, you'd have more than $1 million. Some weird number like that, something again. Um, yeah, no, I'd go back to 2016 with $0, guys. I'd go work at McDonald's. Right, just one shift at McDonald's. One shift at McDonald's. Pay me $9. Yeah, I had $0 back then, anyway. Um, yeah, there you go. I mean, some people would rather take $1 million and just say, okay, cool, right? It's invest in crypto now. But I go back. So yeah, I had minus 25 in 2016. Yeah, so I'd go back, easy, easy. Um, go back easily. Again, just Dogecoin, guys. Just Dogecoin about 2 years ago, or anything. Just Bitcoin back in 2016. You know, Imagine. uh, you can make some gains. And then I'd buy hot trades and Blaze would have to work for me, Nick. Yeah, right. That would have been a really good buy if you bought hot trades a year ago. Yeah, you'd be on a nice Nick. Um, if you bought hot trades a year ago. Yeah. Let's go, guys. Again, don't forget to smash a like. We are right around like 30. I think that number is it's such a weird number. So yeah, keep smashing that like, guys. Let's keep going. Keep smashing that like, hit that subscribe if you're new. Let's get to 50,000 subscribers. Let's do that tonight. I'm ready. Right, let's do that tonight, and let's get going. Well, the sheep Discord is a mess right now. Why is it a mess? Like, what's happening? What's happening with the Shiba Discord? So I'm gonna need to, yeah. Let me see if I can change that. Hmm, yeah. Bad boy. Yeah, it seems like, yeah. Ask the doctor seems to be a scam. That's what's happening there. So new question, right? Mindy says, okay, new question. Would you tell anyone what you knew about crypto? Would you tell anyone what you knew about crypto? I mean, why not? Why not? Why not though, guys? Why not? The question to me is, hey Nisi, like, if I could go back, back to 2016 with $0, um, it's not like it's gonna make a difference. Like if I told all my friends, family and friends, that yeah, go buy Shiba or buy Dogecoin, right? Put $100 in Dogecoin, right? $100. I mean, why not? it's not gonna make a difference. Like it's not gonna all of a sudden change anything for me, and we're gonna be all rich. We're gonna be all rich. You're greedy. Nick says I'm greedy AF. No, like it's not like it's information that you're gonna miss out on anything, right? So, Ozzy, hey yo, what's up? Just got off work, saw you and sheep rolling. Time for shots. Let's go, Ozzy. Get the shots going. We're ready to pull the knights. Yeah, sharing is caring. Yeah, sharing is caring, guys. Would you share that information? Yeah. So again, it's not information that's gonna all of a sudden change anything for you. Like you're not gonna miss out on anything, right? Um, so would would it make a difference in crypto prices though? That's the question, you know. Yeah. So yeah, yeah. Coming to Gemini Exchange now. It is low roller. Okay, that's new to me. So is it nothing but would yeah, exactly right, Nick, exactly. Oh yeah, crypto's looking spicy here tonight, right? Bitcoin is looking good there. I need to oh wow, we need to move the rocket, guys. The rocket. We keep struggling every time we hit the rocket. So the rocket is higher, guys. Let's keep going, please and thank you. Right, Bitcoin, come on, Shiba, what are you doing? We need some better performances here, guys, from Shiba. Something better, right? We hit 30. We're ready to bounce. That's our last known level of support, 30 for Shiba, right? Our last known multi consolidation day test thing. So let's bounce here now. Let's go. Get rich or die trying. When I eat, let's go, Nick. I would tell people I know all three of them. Right? As you know, as you grow older, like your circle just depletes because you're smaller. Your circle gets smaller and smaller. Here we go, guys, right? There we go. Bitcoin, rocket higher. Bitcoin goes higher. Let's keep going here, guys. We're looking for $49,000 there. Come on. What are you waiting for, Shiba? Like, what are you waiting for? For what's a faded? Let's do this, Stewart. There's some fishy things going on there. Um, um, just a message from Toba there. Um, says need more sheep. Just bought some $50 more. Let's go, Aussie. Might need to add one to Shiba. Yeah, we might need to add a rocket to Shiba here. Shiba, there you go. Maybe that's what we're slacking here, guys. Shiba doesn't have a rocket. Maybe that's what we needed to do there. So what I'm gonna do actually is I want a Shiba thumbnail. I want a Shiba thumbnail. There you go. Um, there we go. And we all good to go there. Come on. Let's go BTC. Let's go Shiba. Bitcoin will explode. Ryan, why do you think so? Again, we've seen that explosion here tonight, right? We have a new whale, guys. We have a new whale. Stuart, are you ready? Ryan says Bitcoin will explode. Why do you think it's gonna explode? Yeah, bad boy. Yes. Again, Gilly. So we expect all these things to move together, right? All these names look very similar. Whether you're holding Mana or Elon or this and this and this, we've looked at this chart earlier in the stream, right? We've covered a whole lot of those charts, and they look all the same, right? So with Bitcoin recovering here, you're gonna see all these other names, Elon, everything else, right? Start recovering. So you think 492? Okay, come on. Um, I hope so, Nick. I hope it's a merry Cryptomas. Merry Cryptomas, guys. Let's go here, right? Let's get a nice pump here for the holidays. Mindy's green arrows work better than your rocket. They do. Okay, I don't know. Mindy's green arrows work better. Yeah, those arrows work nicely, right? They work nicely. So But we have the Rockets, and those Rockets have done really well for us tonight. So again, we've gone for some nice runs, guys. Right? That's a very nice bump, right? That's a very nice bump there. So let's keep going and going and going. So Bitcoin get us to 49. Please and thank you. My Shiba is retracing here now. Surprise, surprise. Meh, 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 meh. Uh, um, so Mindy, like, where did this come from? That's my question. Like, what were you doing before you found out this information? Like, what were you doing? How did you just? Here you go. Doesn't it honestly like Stewart? Yeah, I bet you it's gonna be ruined tomorrow from like Biden speaking. Not just because it's Biden, just because again, for the most part, unless your name is Big Daddy Powell, all of these guys speaking ruin the market. No, it's a who said it's Mindy Noir. She's like, fun fact, sperm whales make the loudest sound, the loudest animal. How did you find that out? Because he said whale, and I saw it on TV tonight. Because he said whale, and I saw it on TV. Wow, I love crypto. Uh, love crypto. For the stock market, I like what are you saying? Awesome students. Is your nickname Nick? Unbelievable. Emerges from the shadows. Yeah, Noir always comes on when something's highly questionable, like highly at the very top of the list. Noir shows up. Dropping the la. Is the dangerous Stuart very dangerous? Um, Stuart, forget the stock market. Awesome. No, the stock market gave us some nice gains here today, right? So people were making something like on stream today. People were making something that's $26,000 today alone, right? $10,000 here and there, right? People made some really nice gains here today. So in the stock market, yeah. So hopefully, hopefully that continues tomorrow. Right. For now, it's crypto. Hot trades after dark. Oh, you're late to the party. Hot trades after dark started like 3 hours ago, and there's some Stewart and some very highly questionable people. Them not even go back, guys. We've had some very weird conversations. Um, there you go, Nick. Right? It's been started. Oh yeah, it's been madness. La, la, la. Volatility is crazy for Shiba, Aussie. Yeah. Yeah, let's hang for another 15 minutes, guys. I know we said 10 minutes like an hour ago, but yeah, let's do another 15 here and see what the market looks like. And then we can take a break and come back tomorrow or whatnot, whatnot. Or if crypto's looking really good still, we can stay up all night if we have to. But yeah, let's keep going. Let's keep going here. Let's keep going. So we're seeing some weird, huh. Let me see here. It's been a, huh, interesting. Why is Shiba taking a dump? Because into everything else is taking a dump, right? Bitcoin is retracing as well. Shiba struggling there. So yeah, all the same. Same, same, same. Let me see. You know what's funny, guys? You know, you know what's funny as okay.
What's
No,
up?
this isn't the funny part. Hey Noir, how are you, Noir?
Amazing.
Amazing. You know what? You know what I was saying that was funny was, we talked about this sperm whale already, and then we left that subject, but Mindy just had to go search up the facts and send it to me and say, okay, number one on the list. Unbelievable.
What are they doing when they make that noise?
I have no idea.
Uh,
It was like saying hello to the tourist. That's what they're doing. Since Noir left, guys, Noir came back with a nice beard now.
Mhm.
Nice, nice.
Yeah, I started it with no shave November,
Hmm.
and then I went out to a nice dinner with
Hmm.
some high ups, so I shaved
Yeah.
it for then, and now I'm letting it come back again.
Okay, nice, nice. Yeah. It's good to see you, Noir. It's been way too long. Welcome
Yeah,
back. Yeah. Welcome back. How's crypto for you? I know your wife was asking you to buy some cake.
she loves the cake. Um, yeah, I didn't buy it, so
Okay.
I bought a little bit of the dip just
Yeah.
recently, and then
Mhm.
kind of just watching it.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Um. All right. Love. You guys love the beard. Of course, you guys do. Amber's like, "Yep, I love the beard." Star's like, "Yep, love the beard." Um. Andrew. Noah went for dinner with Mr. Whale. Then Mr. Whale never came back. Um. I don't know what happened. um. So yeah, let's hang here for like 10 more minutes and see what the market looks like, and then we could do some call or something.
Woo-woo.
Let's go.
Uh, my favorite pastime these days.
Yeah, it's a Call of Duty. Yeah, I need to get my controller going. It's not working, so let's get it going. Yeah, okay, sure. Mindy, you're not even on that list, so I don't know what you're talking about. Nor had dinner with the legendary players. Only, oh, we weren't invited. Oh, we, as in you two. Okay, well, I mean, you guys weren't invited. Um, Noah gave me a hint saying, okay, you need to get to legendary, so I'm trying.
Yeah,
Yep.
Blaze promised he would hit
Yep.
legendary this season.
Yep. I'm trying. Um, Scott is hoping the Discord can't wait to have Scott. Yeah, come join us, Scott. What's going through your head? Oh no, there's a certain song.
It's the Whisper song.
Um, you're not even listed on that list. No, I'll bet you I'm ahead of you on that list, Mindy. Guaranteed, ahead of you on that list.
Oh, let's see the rankings for the clan.
No, we can't do this. I just joined the clan. We can't be, you know. Um, let's see here. So we're trying to recover here for crypto, guys. We had a nice run up. It's been a fun night, right? So, yeah. Hopefully, it's again Cryptomas. Let's keep going. Would hide under the dinner table for what? Um, there you go. He has a crypto wallet instead. Crypto Christopher. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Tell us about. That was the best exit anyone's ever done. That was the absolute best because I was ready. Honestly, I was ready the first time that thing happened. Unbelievable.
Yeah, I'm
Um,
going into the office tomorrow. Maybe I'll look for some papers.
just make sure there's no torch on it, no MMAT, no BBIG, anything like that, please. Nothing with a merger.
Yeah.
I'm joining. Okay, there you go, Scott. Okay, you're joining Discord. Yeah, come join us in Discord. The membership link is right here. So come join us. Scott, here's the link for you, and Aussie too. Come join Discord, and all of you guys. There you go. There you go. There you go. Yeah, guys, let us know if you have any last questions before we leave in a little bit. Right, let us know if you have any questions at all. And then so Noirs. Um, let me see here. Never mind. I was gonna talk to Noah about crypto bubbles,
Mm.
but what yeah.
I haven't made any lately, so
You haven't made any crypto bubbles today because you haven't been to Taco Bell.
That all I keep seeing is Hex taking up a majority of my screen every single day the last week,
Yeah.
and I'm like, what are you
Yeah.
doing?
Yeah.
Up 70%.
Yeah. Hex. La, la, la. Oh yeah, no, that's okay, Scott. Scott, that's okay. Yeah. Again, so you have the membership link now. Come join us, and then go from there, Scott. Right. And then go from there. What else? Are you ready for Christmas, Noor? Ready for the holidays?
Sure. They're just
Uh,
not as much fun anymore as an adult.
yeah. Yeah. You have to do all the buying the presents. Can't really, all the work.
Yeah.
All the work now. Yeah. There you go. Like you get presents, so you get presents from your wife, but anybody else?
Um, I mean, my family still
Yeah.
does little bits, and
Yeah.
then of course I get myself a bunch of
Yeah.
stuff.
Okay.
So and then I say that they're from
Yep.
my wife and from my kids, and
Okay. There you go.
yeah,
Yeah. No, that's okay. Treat yourself.
yeah,
All this money you made this year from playing with Peter.
shorting Peter.
So treat yourself. Um, oh, yeah, your present number? You want to borrow? I don't know. I don't think Noah would. I don't know.
Only if you get under the tree.
Oh, um, so until you have kids and you see the magical reborn with them or the magic, yeah, like buying your kids present and seeing the excitement on their faces, yeah, yeah, that's cool. Uh, 1 inch, yeah, 1 inch is you can find 1 inch on crypto bubbles.
Hey, I own 1 inch.
You do?
Yeah,
You actually do own 1 inch?
yeah. Got to
Oh,
diversify that portfolio with some
what?
small, some big. It's like being married. You don't want the same inch over and over and over again. You gotta get different inches. It's too bad you can't sense. Well, I guess you could mute me.
No, all this talk we've been talking here, you find you have 1 inch?
Yep,
Wow.
yep.
Huh. So, Scott, thank you very much. You have to become a Discord member. So yeah, you see how the different levels, Scott. So the level is Discord. So you see the level that says Discord. That's the level you have to sign up for, um, and then go from there. Nor,
Someone
no,
asked why not 12 inch. I actually own 12 coins of 1 inch to make up for it.
unbelievable, guys. This is a good way to wind down.
Yeah,
Before
here. I'll even show my total amount that I own of 1 inch.
is that like what is that 24 inches?
$2.42.43 is what I own of 1 inch.
Okay, $2. Wow. Okay.
I got the $3 for doing the Coinbase
Oh,
quiz
okay. And then you just put it in 1 inch.
because they give it to you in whatever the coin is that they're teaching you about.
Oh, okay.
So
Uh,
I took 3 questions. So I got
mhm,
$3. It's obviously
mhm,
gone down since I've done it.
mhm,
And what a lot of people do is they actually go do the quizzes and then they sell it immediately and turn it into whatever the coin is that they actually want to own.
mhm.
No, man, 2.4 inches.
Yep. Jason, we thought it was 24. It's 2.4.
2.4.
2.4.
Some
I mean,
people would call that a micro.
yeah. Well, at least the good thing about that noise is that it can grow, right? It can grow. Um, it doesn't just,
I hope
uh,
it can grow, and it's only starting at 2.4 inches.
yeah. There you go. New member, Scott. Welcome to the family. Welcome to Discord. Thank you very much for the support, Scott. Oh yeah, there you
Shake
go.
weight pump.
Shake your pump. There you go. Scott, welcome. So as a member, all you have to do is go over to YouTube, Scott. So go to YouTube and hot rates. Noah had to tell me to stop saying click scroll down and click on the cookie. So I had to say, okay. So go to YouTube, right? Search hot trades, click on the name, the logo, and then you want to go to the community tab here, right? And then community tab, right? And the last post you're gonna see is a link. That's gonna take you over to Discord. So once you click on that link, it's gonna take you over to Discord. And then you want to go again. It's gonna take you to the roles channel first. You want to read that information, um, and then react to the cookie at the very bottom, and then go to the getting started channel, then follow those images and you should be good to go. Just make sure you use the right email when you're following those images, right? And you should be good to go. Scott, there you go. Welcome. See you in Discord tonight. And yeah, so, and yeah, and then charts, and yeah, crypto's retracing here now after a nice little run up there, which is fine. So
As soon as I get on.
yep. As soon as you get a crypto's like, who's this guy? Who's this guy? Is the
Cake is
fight?
down 4.2%.
What's down 4.2? Cake?
Cake.
I mean, this cake always goes, well, cake is supposed to, go down. So don't forget about OnlyFans. My OnlyFans, Aussie. I don't have an OnlyFans. That's
You should make an OnlyFans level, though, for
yeah.
membership.
Uh-huh.
And then people will just be severely disappointed when they buy the membership to find out that it's not a real OnlyFans, page. But you could send them emails,
Yeah.
one-on-one
I
calls.
bet So like what happens with those levels is, so when you create a level, you have to send it to YouTube and they have to verify like all the information on that level. I bet you they're gonna say, okay, well, what are you doing here? OnlyFans level? What is this? Emails to people? No, thank you.
No, this is only for your fans. Like I don't
Yeah,
I don't see the issue.
yeah, yeah. Cake. Oh, well, good. Well, oh, yeah, Stuart. Yeah,
Dump my inches on the market.
yeah. And playing soccer. Yeah, eating cookies on my OnlyFans level. Yeah. Any updates for tomorrow morning? No, Adis. We'll just have to come back tomorrow morning and take a look, right? Cause 6 months membership. I'm pretty sure it's 6 months. You get the watermelon. Yeah, it's 6 months for the watermelon. Jason, watermelon. It's I think it's actually 7, 6 or 7. One of those two. Not sure what it is, Noir. Um, one of those two. What happened? Whatever happened to the cooking stream? We did it in Discord, Jason. um, we did it in Discord, the food channel. Yep. My bath water. Oh no, guys. Yeah. I remember one time someone wanted to send me a super chat for some feet pictures, some feet. So yeah, no, thank you. 40%, Marlo. Yeah, to read it. Some feet. Alrighty, guys. It's been a fun stream. This stream was only supposed to be an hour. It's been 3 hours. um, because yeah. So Noir.
Give me enough time to pop on.
Yeah, absolutely. I don't know if Noir has a story for us, but I'm sure that's gonna come tomorrow. Um, thank you guys very much for the support, Noir.
Our sponsor today,
Is who? Who's that? Who's that? That's a
so,
little.
some 18-year-old scotch, and
Okay.
because I'm only working inches, it's just
Yeah.
a little mini bottle. I'm gonna become the biggest promoter of 1 inch from now on.
Yep. 1 inch, guys. 1 inch. Sponsored by Noir. Noir, can you sponsor us, please, and thank you.
Yeah,
That we can have your banner, your logo somewhere on the stream.
I can use a logo I use for fantasy football.
Okay, nice. Nice. um, yeah. Jason, love you too. See you in the AM. Alrighty, guys. Yeah, have a good night. Don't forget to smash a like on your way out. Hit that subscribe, all the fun stuff. Scott, see you in Discord. Members, thank you again. Have a good night, guys. We'll see you guys on the next stream. Noor, thank you very much. We'll see you in COD.
Yep.
And let's go get some salad first.
Okay.
Like my stomach is growling. So
So you're gonna have salad
yep,
to offset the cookies.
yep. Maybe yeah, we'll
Sounds
see what
good.
else. Alrighty. Have a good night, guys. Bye, Beth. Bye, Jason. Bye, Ozzy. Bye, Virus. Andrew, Star, Obets, Amber, Mindy, Stuart, Craig, Marlo, VJ, Jason, Nick, everybody. Bye, bye, bye.
Bye.
Good night, guys. Bye, guys.